What up, chat? Good morning, good morning. How we doing today, everybody? Happy Monday. It's good to be here. All right. How we doing? New week, huh? What's up, everyone? Hope you guys had a great weekend. We are back. We are back. W's in the chat. Good to see you all here. Who do we got here on this lovely Monday? Shiro's in the building. What up, Shiro? Classic Trader. Bradley. Alexandru. What's goody? Crypto Madden in the house. Rapid Max. Gotta Trade is in the building as always. What up, Gotta Trade? What up, Options? We got Options in the house. FX Viking. Nathan's in the building. What up, Nathan? Z Gamer's in the house. What up, Z Gamer? What up, AB Mike? What's going on, everybody? What's going on? Big Folk Reds in the building. What up, Dennis? Good morning, Unique. What up, what up? New Era Pictures throwing W's in the chat already. How you guys feeling? You guys feeling W'd up, W'd out, or what? Yeah, if you guys are feeling good about this week, let's throw some W's in the chat. Let's get the energy going here. What up, YOLO Traders in the building? What up, Yo? Hey, keep an eye on YOLO. Keep an eye on YOLO. Awesome. Let's go. Let's go. What up, Raf Simon? Raf Simon? Raf Simon? George, what's good, George? Morning, brother. What's up, Lewis? All right. Hey, Ewan's in the house. What up, Ewan? What's going on, everybody? Hey, good to be back, man. It is another day, another opportunity, a new week, right? We got a new week ahead of us here. I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited, ready to go. The weekends are always cool, but man, it's nothing like getting back to the desk, getting back on the charts, and you know, coming here and being with this awesome community, right? And doing what we do best, which is come to the desk as professionals, right? Come to the desk every day with that mindset of improvement, that mindset of, you know, a lion, right, in the high grass, just waiting for those perfect setups. So hope you guys are doing good. I hope you all had a blessed weekend. God bless you guys here today. For those that are just coming in, if you guys could give the stream a like, that would be awesome. I'm just going to set up Zoom here, and we're going to get this party started. Go. All right. Yeah, in the meantime, there we go. W's coming in. Hey, if you guys are feeling blessed, right? The Bible says blessed coming in, blessed coming out, blessed all in between, right? Blessed in the cities, blessed in the fields. And he's talking about us, gang. He's talking about us. So if you're feeling blessed today, throw some W's in the chat. And let me just set everything up here. Yes, sir. A lot of W's, a lot of W's. A lot of blessings flowing here, right? We're covered this week, gang. It's going to be a good one. All right, cool. Yes, sir. W's. I see him. All right, Zoom link has been sent out. That is good to go. And let me just share my screen. And I think we are good. I think we're good here, squad. Y'all ready? Yeah, W's in the chat. Yes, sir. Good to see you all here. All right, I think we're ready to go. So welcome, everyone. Welcome to a brand new live stream. It's a new week, right? A new week, new day. It is Monday. And we're gonna get started here. So it is the 18th, right? 18th of September. This month is cruising on by. We you know, we've seen price this month. We've seen a lot of news this month, right? And trying to work through it and navigate through it. It's been a bit of a slow month in terms of positions, but I think at this point, especially with FOMC coming in, I think at this point we are pretty much locked in and ready to go, right? I think we're going to get on the board here a bit more often here this month. and I'm excited about it, right? I'm excited, and you guys should be too. So let's take a look at the week and what we got going on here in the fundamental news space. Today it doesn't look like we have much, right? We have just a little bit going on here at about 10. Nothing too crazy. That's, later on in the session. Tuesday, though, we do have some red folders on the CAD. So CAD has their CPI here on Tuesday. We have just, very, very light news tomorrow. So nothing too crazy, just building permits and housing starts and all that. Wednesday, though, we have the big FOMC, right? We got FOMC here on Wednesday. We're going to have news here at 2 p.m. So we'll be doing 2 streams this week on Wednesday. And we'll be streaming the New York session, and then we'll be streaming the press conference here to see if we could take advantage of some of that volume, right? There should be a lot of volume, a lot of direction should come in this week as well, which is good, right? Because this month has been a bit choppy. I've talked to a lot of my trading buddies and, guys that trade differently than us too. And, same thing, right? Very, very choppy month of September here. But we're looking to get on the board, right? We're looking to finish out the second half strong. And I think a lot of direction is gonna come from the Fed here. So we'll wait on Wednesday, September 20th for that. And then Thursday we have obviously unemployment claims coming in. And yeah, so that's gonna be it. Friday as well. I think we have not much in the headlines here Friday, right? Some PMI going on at 9:45. So that's about it. And that's the week. Right, that's the week ahead of us. So today and tomorrow we're pretty clear, and then we have the Fed coming in here on Wednesday. So get ready for that. We'll see what's going on with the charts here today, and do a quick top-down analysis. So let's see what we got going on here when it comes to the technicals. We've already went through the fundamentals, right? Now it's time to take a look at the technicals and put both together. So let's take a look, right? Going up to the monthly time frame, right? What do we know about the monthly time frame? Well, gold is up here in these all-time highs, right? A lot of rejections from this zone here, a lot of rejections here, and you basically have a very, very, very strong area, I could call it, or range or zone right here that gold price does not want to push through, right? So we know where we're at on gold. We do know also that we have created a resistance here for price to continue moving down. There's also a support level here, and you have a resistance formed, right? You have price kind of pushed up, formed support, formed resistance, and now is making its way down, right? So there's a wick to fill down here at 1884 that may be able to get tapped. And what we're looking at here this month is whether or not this candle will actually close bearish below the range, right? If it can close bearish below the range, looking something like that, then next month you should see a top wick and you should see price continuing down, right, to fill this range coming down to the support right around 1835. So that's the idea, right? We're pretty bearish off of the monthly time frame. Now, one thing we know is that this candle has no top wick, and anything could happen, right? With the Fed coming in on here on Wednesday, throwing price around, anything can really happen in terms of this candle breaking its own high and moving on up before pushing back down, right? That could be a potential opportunity for that pack runner, right? For us to see that pack runner here, and create that top wick. So let's see about that. But let's go ahead, take a look at the weekly time frame. It is the first day of the week. We are pushing up pretty steadily here, right? So looking at the weekly time frame, if we're just looking at this, right, you notice that we're in somewhat of a downtrend, right? Price is clearly moving down right now. And one thing we notice is that we did close bullish, right? We closed bullish last week, and I was talking to, I'm not sure if I think we talked about it, but I was talking to a friend of mine as well, and we were talking about this weekly chart here and this candle closure like 2 weeks ago, and I was referring to this area right here that this could be a problem, right? And it was, price kind of pushed down and closed bullish back above this zone here. So that was the issue with the weekly candle. Now, one thing we know is that yes, we did close, hold on one sec, we did close below or above this level here. There's also another range right here, right? So we want to see what price does, right? Is price going to break these highs, or are we going to respect the high, which we've pretty much done here, I believe, and now push back down, right? So we are bullish based off the weekly time frame. You do have a support that is formed with the resistance. You know, price can come somewhere up in these levels, but we are going to pay attention to that zone over there on the left hand side. But all in all, right, we are bullish. We have not really came down to create a bottom wick yet, so that's pretty interesting. That's also going to be the daily bottom wick. So, you know, let's take a look at the daily, right? Because if we're going to look for positions here today, we're going to base it off of Friday's daily closure, and Friday's daily closure is this candle right here. And this candle did close bullish, right? Not only did it close bullish, but it closed bullish above the resistance here, right, to the left hand side. So if we're closing bullish above that resistance, there's clean traffic to the left hand side, moving on up, right? One thing we know about Friday's candle is that it closed above, and there were 1, 2, 3, we could say 4, 5, 6 attempts to close above that range, right? And Friday's candle closed above it. Now we've broken the high here. We have very little to no bottom wick on this candle just yet. We may come down to create that bottom wick, right? So we may come down, we may see a steeper bottom wick here today. But you know, let's take a look at what everything looks like on the 4-hour time frame, because we know we're bullish on the day. We know we closed above. And now again, going back to the weekly though, right? If we're closing above this or below this range here, right, and not breaking the highs, then there's a high chance that this candle can move bearish, right? Because it hasn't made a bottom wick yet. It just ultimately just pushed up right away in the first few hours of a weekly candle. That's like the first few seconds of a 30-minute candle, just pushing up right away, right? So without really making a bottom wick. So let's keep an eye on that. But daily makes sense as well, right? Yes, we can move up, but we also need to be prepared for that potential fake out, right? For a move to come back down and close bearish here today. So we're going to be open for buys and sells as we are every day. Let's go ahead and see how we're going to determine the ranges here and figure out where we're going to take our buys, where we're going to take our sells here on gold. So 4-hour is moving up, right? You see the 4-hour has moved on up, and we've created support. We've pushed up. Now we've created a resistance here, right? We kind of filled this wick to the left-hand side. I think this is the wick I talked about last night, about us filling this range here. But now this previous 4-hour candle has closed bearish, right? And where did we close bearish? Well, right around this rejection zone. So, you know, if this 4-hour candle breaks the lows now, there's a high chance that we can come down and, you know, start pushing down to give that daily candle a bottom wick. So let's take a look at what that looks like on the 1-hour. 1-hour does have a support here, right, that we've established. We also have created a resistance, and that's just where we're at now, right? So if you get a candle closure above this zone, let's take a look at the 30-minute. 30-minute close bearish as well, so maybe we adjust that zone here. But if you do get a closure above, then I think that is a clean opportunity to take more buys on this bullish day, right? Because what have we done? We've basically traveled up, right? Came down, created support, right? Moved up. Now we've come down, created support, moved up. We're coming down, possibly created support. And if we do close above 1927 here, right, looking something like this, then you should see a move up, right? Because now you've established a support. You've got a breakout. So you've got an onion, you've got a breakout, and then clean traffic to the left for price to move on up. So I look to take my buys above, what is this? 1927. Yeah, 1927, 311 here. Buys above there to continue on with this bullish move, right? Daily's very bullish here, right? Created us, right? We still don't have the best bottom wick, but we are moving up after breaking the highs. So we are bullish, right? We are bullish here on the day. And now it's just a matter of when can we break out of these zones, and what clean traffic can we take advantage of. So that's what I'm looking at here for gold. You do have this 1-hour support here as well. If we look at the 30-minute, we may have to adjust it, and you may have to bring it down towards 1925 here, right? So that way we know sells are coming in. You may get a fake out, right? Right around 1926 to move back up if this candle doesn't close above. but we'll see what happens here. So that's what I'm going to be looking at here for gold as of right here, right now. Things may change a little bit depending on what happens in this range. But if we can get some sort of a fake out for buys going back up right around here, I think that would be pretty clean. Or we'll wait for some sort of range 2 sells below there. So fake out for buys or sells. Yeah, and that's it. That's going to be the day. Pretty simple, pretty clean here on gold today. We're going to look to target 1922 on the way down. That's going to be about a potential 25 pip range. And then on the way up here, it looks like we've got about same thing, right? Same thing. There are more clean buys above these ranges here to the left, right? If we have a resistance up here as well. So there's more clean buys above 1929 here. Got a nice clean move coming up. So we'll see if we can create this support here for price to continue on up. If not, then we'll just wait it out. All right, we'll just wait, sit tight, and see where price wants to go here. So that's the day, my friends. Perfect. All right, cool. Sweet. So yeah, we'll see what happens here again. You know, you have this big move up. Price has come down, create a support. Let's see if, you know, price wants to close above. 1 hour candle just broke the highs. 30-minute candle as well. 15-minute is very choppy here, so we really need to wait for a candle to close, I think, on the 30-minute time frame. So that's what I'm gonna do, and yeah, that's it. And if you're not comfortable taking buys in this area, then you could just wait, right? Wait for 1930, and then you have clean buys above 1930 with a nice, really nice clean range coming up to 1933 here. Yeah, it's a nice 40 pip range there. Sells below 1922. Yeah, I mean, that is the daily low there. So they are clean below that. I like this range here though too. Right, if we can take advantage of this range. If not, then the next range is going to be below 1922 there. So a lot of clean traffic coming down. We need a range 2 below here, or we'll wait for closures below 22 there. Yeah. Green. What up, Green? Good morning, bro. Why sells below 25? Is it still not clear from there? Below 25? Yeah, we'll wait for range 2 sells below 25. Yeah, if we get a range 2, we got a wick to fill, support to retest. So that would be the idea there. Yeah, if we can't get sells in between 25 and 22, then we'll take our sells below 22 there. Yeah, so it's basically, it looks like this today, right? This is pretty much no trade range here, right? No trade range at all in this zone. And then anything above there is pretty clean, right? Because we are bullish on the day. So anything above these zones up here is going to be very nice move for price to continue up. And then anything below here, right, we'll wait for range 2s. And then anything below here looks pretty clean for, you know, just straight sells. So a lot of range today, right? A lot of green range. We just got to make sure we get our opportunities, find our setups, and then, yeah, we'll take advantage of it. Oh, just passed my challenge. Nice. Congratulations. Done with the easy part. Now it's time to wait, right? Time to wait. Hey, Adam Bella. Good morning, Adam Bella. What up, Jet? What's going on? Oh yeah, let's take a look at pound yen here as well. So let's take a look at GJ. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame here. And we did close bearish here on the weekly, so lovely, right? We talked about this last week about price, potentially closing bearish below these ranges here. We finally did that, right? So we finally got a nice solid bearish candle to close. And now, you're looking at the support down here, right? You got a support down here. You've got a support, right over here as well. And we got some clean range now. So let's take a look at the daily time frame. Daily looks like you've got a celery play going on. Looks like we did have a nice closure, and that closure even happened below these levels here, right? So you should see a nice push down. We've already broken the lows. Let's go ahead and take a look at how we can anticipate taking buys and sells here, right? Well, excuse me, the candle's high is up here at 183.350. So let's go ahead and take a look at what that looks like on the 4 hour. Okay, yeah, so that's that resistance right there on the 4 hour time frame. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like on the 1 hour time frame. All right, cool. So possibly getting a fake out right here on pound yen. You did form the resistance on the 30-minute time frame. Let's see how the 1 hour candle closes. I think that's going to be our best bet to move with the NY open here. We are definitely looking for sells based off of the break of the lows here and the closures, right? You kind of have a celery play going on. So 4 hours looking clean, just grabbed all that liquidity. 1 hour is now starting to create that resistance. 30-minute has created the resistance. And I think if we can close below these ranges, then you should see a pretty nice push down here. Yeah, you got about a 25 pip range, and then there's more sells below there. So let's see how the 1 hour candle closes and see if we get a resistance here at NY open. And if we do, then we could expect the next candle to drive down to retest the lows. Cool. So just gotta wait. Just got to wait. Yeah, and then we'll look to take, let's see here. Yeah, I'll probably just take my buys above 83 here. Yeah, not too interested in buys on pound yen here. Just looking to go with the daily and the weekly moves here. So that's what I'll be looking at for GJ. Yeah, if I do take my buys, they'll be above, this resistance up here. Yeah, I don't think this is going to be clean enough. We're going to have to wait for range 2s, and that's only a 17 pip range. So yeah, just gonna wait the buys out here today. But sells do look pretty clean based off the 1 hour closure here. So let's just wait on that. That's when more volume will be coming into the markets here at NY Open, and we'll see if we can catch a move here on pound yen. Hey, good morning, Hermie. What's going on? Good morning, Laurent. What's good? Why not trade GJ on 30-minute? Yeah, it's possible. We got 11 minutes though for that. Now the fun begins. That's right. That's right. Yeah, let's see what happens here on gold as well. Hey, yo, good morning everyone in Zoom. Good morning, Chris. How y'all doing? Everybody had a good weekend? Did you have a good couple days off the charts here? Seas. Whoops. There we go. What was the highlight for me this weekend? Ah, man, you know, me and my wife just last night just hung out, had the kids playing in the living room, and we just got wings, hung out, watched Fast and Furious 1 and Fast and Furious 2, and that was that was the highlight of my weekend. But it was awesome, man. It's just super cool, man. Super cool to live life on your own terms here. What up, TK? Yeah, TK had fun this weekend too. Yeah, we've been testing out a few new things as well for the stream too, so we had fun with that. Yes, sir. Are these blue controlled glasses? Yeah, they are. What up, Aaron? YOLO Trader. Yeah, it was an epic weekend. Fast and Furious, man. What else did we do? We went to the mall. Man, we went to the mall twice this weekend. We never go to the mall, ever. And we went twice this weekend. Where do you live? I live in Tampa. Tampa, Florida. Yeah, it's the most important, having time with the family. Yeah, because you know my family really is the underlining driving force of everything we've created here, right? Because, you know, before I knew you guys, right? I'm thankful that you guys have now come into my life and that we're here together. But before I knew you guys, the driving force was for my family, right? So they're the you know, behind the scenes reason why, right? All this is even being done. You know, why I'm even, you know, just growing and becoming and trying to continue to get better and lead other men and women to be better as well is because it's for my family, right? It's for the example, it's to provide, it's you know, it's all that good stuff. So yeah, the family, man. Love spending time with the family. You know, that's one thing in my mantra, you know, it's just really remember how blessed you are and remember to appreciate your family, right? Because that's what you're really building things for. So how long have I been trading? I've been trading since 2019. I've looked into crypto. Yeah, crypto on the weekends. I've seen some of you guys playing poker in the Discord. I'll be joining y'all soon. Sam, I think I seen. Did I see Sam here? I think I seen Sam in the chat already. Sam, you gotta show me the ropes in poker. Oh yeah, gotta trade too. Gotta trade. Yeah, gotta trade knows it's poker too. Do I trade full time? Yeah. What do I love about trading? You know what I love about trading? It's a constant like self-discovery. Yeah, constant self-discovery. You versus you. It's like a single player sport, you know, where everything's on you, where you have the opportunity to make it or not, right? By what you do, by the work you put in, by the passion you can build up behind it, right? You know, there's so much to love about trading, you know, and then there's incredible results, right? The income is good once you have the skill set down. The lifestyle is good, right? Once you have the skill set down, but it's a never-ending self-discovery, you know, growth process. So that's what I love most about it. Yeah, it doesn't matter how how he plays or she plays, as long as I play the game well, then I could win, right? And I know that I'm willing to bet on me. So I know that over time, if I keep knocking at the door, that that things will, suddenly go my way, right? If you put in enough work, you'll get a little bit luckier and luckier as you go. So that's how I see it. I really want to trade full time, but it's been so hard. It is hard. It is hard, gang. It's hard to be disciplined. Not many people can do this. It's hard, right? Some of you guys, are we going to take a trade? Are we going to take a trade? And you guys just can't wait, and as an experienced trader, you don't really know how I see it, right? You'll get to that point, right, where you're going to see some new traders come in and, you'll have a different perspective, but very, very quickly, I can see where one is at in their mindset, in their maturity, right, in their trading. All you got to do is say a sentence or two, and I can immediately tell where you are, right? So it is hard. It's hard. It's hard to wait. It's hard to be patient. It's hard to be disciplined. But that's how you win. That's how you win. All right, let's free the man. Let me just lower this for you guys so your eardrums don't burst and blow off. And let me highlight the man.
Yo, good morning, good morning.
Come on up.
How's it going?
W chat.
W's. Yo, who's excited for a nice, beautiful week we got here in front of us? I can tell you one thing, I am. I don't know why, but that weekend was so long, bro.
I'm hungry, B. I'm hungry.
I'm starving. Me hungry.
Very
hungry. W's in the chat. W's in the
chat for Sammy Boy in the house.
W's for this amazing, beautiful week. We got a chance at being better.
Oh yeah.
For the rest of the week, or better every single day.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It's Monday, baby. Yeah, trading's hard, right? Right, Sam? Like, is trading not hard, or this isn't going to be a walk in the park. I promise you that. It isn't.
It's hardest not going to be. Ever done.
Yeah. Hard. Yeah, exactly. Whatever you've done up until this point in your life, let's say you've hit any level of achievement, you're going to have to bring that same energy, if not more, to this craft and what you're doing here. Promise you that. So, promise you. It's not an easy task, but it's doable. That's why, Sam, like, I'm sure you see it too, like, people will talk to you and you can just tell what level right away.
Oh yeah, absolutely. I was listening to you say that earlier. Yeah, 100%. 100%. It's so you can tell right where someone is at, like their maturity level with the market.
Almost instantly.
Almost, yeah, just off of the way they talk. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
And as a mentor, you guys forget I talk to a lot of people every day, right? So as a mentor, I really know where you're at, right? And I can a lot of times just tell by, I don't even have to speak to you. I can just read what you write in the chat and I understand the level, right? And some of you guys are doing great. Some of you guys are at high levels, right? Some of you guys are mid-level. Some of you guys are still beginners. So if you are a beginner, just understand where you are at, right? And come here to learn. Come here to grow, right? Don't come here. One thing is like you come and you try and prove that you're something that you're not, right? And just enjoy your process, enjoy your growth, enjoy your journey. You don't have to pretend, right, that you're someone that you're not or somewhere that you're not. Just enjoy the process, right? Enjoy the process. And, I always looked at it like just stay down till it's time to come up, right? Stay down till it's time for you to come up and learn the game, right? Because what you'll do is you'll fast forward, you'll speed up your process, right? You won't keep spinning your tires for too long. When you can really put that ego down and say, I'm here to learn, I'm here to grow. The way I've been doing it hasn't been working, right? I may need some help here. That's when you're going to go from those lower levels to those higher levels, right? You're going to start moving, start a lot of weeks now going break even instead of taking losses. And then all of a sudden you're winning, you're having winning weeks. And, all of a sudden you're in a totally different position as a trader. And that doesn't have to take 4 years. right? That doesn't have to take 3 years. That can happen, gang. That could happen in 3 months, right? It's just all about your level of maturity and, you know, discipline that you're going to really, you know, implement in your trading.
Yeah, that's so true. Learn to fail fast. Fail fast, and so you can learn those lessons.
Yep.
Enjoy the process too, like AB Mike said.
Yeah, man. Your failure's not there's nothing wrong with failing. Nothing wrong with failing at all. Right? You got to learn to fail. You got to learn to fail often, and fail forward, right? There was a really good book I read a couple years back called, I think it was called Failing Forward. And it's just, you have to understand, it's part of success, right? If you want to succeed at something, you've got to tinker with it, right? You've got to kind of mess up with it. You play around with it, and you know, that's how it is, right? That's how it is in everything, and that's also how it's going to be here in trading, right? You're going to play around with different things, tinker with different things. You're going to, you know, overtrade a little bit in the beginning. You're going to over risk, and you're going to be, you know, you're going to learn, right? You're going to learn that you know, that could hurt sometimes, and not to do it anymore, right? It's like my daughter touching the stove, you know. It's like, all right, you know, I won't stop you this time, so go ahead, you know, see what it feels like. And then yeah, she never did it again, right? So she learned, right? Because she got hurt, right? She felt that she failed, but that failure just saved her big time, right? So your failures will save you if you let them, right? They'll make you better if you let them.
They'll make you or break you.
Yeah, exactly. It's how us humans learn. Oh, GJ here closed with very little to no bottom wick. You have the NY Open coming in here too, so let's see what happens on this new 30 candle. And gold closed below. Gold still working here on the 1 hour, right? 30 minute did create a support. We've got no bottom wick on this candle yet, and we closed below that resistance. Gold still needs to do something here, right? It's still working on the 1 hour time frame. I think if you get a closure above on the 1 hour, that's going to be way more confirmation than this, you know, no closure above, no bottom wick candle here. FOMC, yes sir, coming in. Yeah, we'll do 2 streams on Wednesday. 2 streams on Wednesday. It's actually gonna be a short week here. We're not gonna have a stream on Friday. I'm gonna be traveling Thursday, so Thursday we're gonna stream until about a little after NY Open. So we'll probably stream for the 4 hour candle, and then I gotta get going to the airport after that. So we'll probably be doing a stream Thursday till like 8:30 a.m. and then Friday no stream.
Big Stu catching flights, not feelings. No emotions. No emotions on that chart.
No emotions. After taking drawdown, still showing up every day to the stream. That means you're progressing. Yes, exactly. Yep. Progress, baby.
Yeah, I think that's why some people struggle with trading, because it's like people want to work, get their results they're looking to see, right? But it's work, boom, I'm a little bit better. Work, little bit better. I feel like that's exactly how you want to look at things, you know? Don't be, I don't want to say goal oriented, because in some aspects I believe you definitely should have obviously goals, but you know, as long as you're working at the, you know, at the chopping block every single day, promise you guys.
Yep.
Sam, take over. No. That's all I say. No.
Sam can stream if you want to stream, but we'll talk about it.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, Sam, I think, is busy on Friday, right?
Yeah.
But it would have to be on your channel though, so everyone would have to come fly over to your channel.
Yeah, that's
Fly
what I
to
mean.
Sam.
We'll see. We'll see. We'll see, chat.
But we'll make up for it. Maybe we'll stream one Asian session this week, and then we'll do FOMC obviously as well. So we'll put like 2 extra streams in there. Oh, nice. Starting my first account today. Thank you very much, Nick. Now I have a trading plan. Oh, beautiful. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Good luck to you. And yeah, just let everything come naturally, right? Wait for the playbooks, setups to show up. You know, let your trades come naturally, let your pips come naturally, and you'll be good to go. There's levels to it. Stream all day and night. How and you decided to quit your job to trade full time? What do you mean by that, Randy? How and you decided, or I don't know. How and you decided to quit your job to trade full time? I'm not sure what that means, brother. What's your say on GJ? I'd wait, right? 30-minute candle close with like no bottom wick. There's no top wick on the new candle. I would wait for the 1 hour close here, because that's the next time we're gonna have lots of volume, and that would be best. John, take over. It's hard to work harder when you don't get the desired results, but that's what makes you different. You conquer the failures right there. Exactly. Exactly, classic. Because, of course, right? It's hard to keep going when there's no results, right? Who would do that? Right? The only people that do that are the ones that actually end up succeeding, right? Because you're, at the end of the day, most of the times, you're always 3 feet from gold, right? You just don't know, right? Did you guys ever hear the story? 3 feet from gold, right? About how this guy who he got word that there was gold in a certain area, and he borrowed, you know, he told everyone about it, and he borrowed money from people, and you know, he got all this equipment, and he started digging, right? Made promises everywhere, told everyone that they were going to get a huge return. He knew he was going to get a huge return, and he was digging, and then he was digging for a while, and they couldn't really find results, right? They found a little bit, but they couldn't find anything else, right? And after an exhausted process, the guy finally tired out, right? Because he didn't see the desired results that he was looking for yet. So he got weary in doing well, right? He got weary in doing what he knew he should be doing. And so he stopped, right? He stopped, and he sold it to a guy, all the equipment. He sold everything for just a cheap number, I think, just to kind of get everyone's money back to them, right? And then what that guy did was that guy got a good deal. He hired someone who knew how to look at mines, right? He got a mentor, and then he used that equipment, and where they started digging was 3 feet from where the other guy stopped. And you know what happened? They dug up the whole huge piece of gold, right? That went on and made this man a multi-millionaire. So you got to understand sometimes, gang, you're 3 feet from gold, right? And even though you don't see those desired results after putting in all the work, do you want to give that up, right? Do you want to give that up and let the next person take it over? Or are you going to keep your head down, stay in the hunt, right? And get the job done. So keep that in mind, right? A lot of times we are 3 feet from gold. And that is, you know, I used to have that picture. Some of you guys ever seen that picture? It's the guy in the mine, and he's like hitching away, and then he finally turns around, and then the diamonds are right by him, right? And the guy under him is chipping away right there, and he gets all the diamonds. So don't quit. 3 feet away. Look at this 1 hour candle back in the range here, right? Very little bottom wick here. 4 hour bearish. Do I see gold moving down to 1920 today? Yeah, I can see gold. If we do break through these lows, break the daily lows and start flipping bearish on the daily, then yeah, I think we can potentially see this range get filled here. 1920 right around here, yep. Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, FX Viking. That might, yeah, I think that's the picture. Oh yeah, just has them writing it down. How can I learn to draw my levels better? You have to understand where ranges are, right? And how to find the ranges. That's what you need to do. It's not about the levels, right? These aren't magic levels here. These are levels that price is just forming on, right? So we can't really find these levels. We have to wait for price to print, and then you find the ranges. And the reason I have my ranges here are because, right, the daily candle is bullish, and so is the weekly. So we're looking for some buys here, but we're also open to sells. Now we know that this daily candle here has very little to no bottom wick, so we can see where sells can come from. So if we're gonna do that, we gotta make sense of lower time frames, right? And if you notice here, the 4 hour candle did do a fake out here, right? If we remove all these drawings, the 4 hour candle did do a fake out. Oh, let me make this better. Right here, right? So there is a fake out that went down. Now you're moving bearish again, right? And if you break these lows, you should come down to 1920. And that's kind of like what we're anticipating. And maybe it'll be this 4 hour candle. Maybe it'll be the next 4 hour candle, right? Where we have somewhat of a sellery play and price continues down on the next candle. So we're still open for buys, but we need to see these ranges come together, right? So how do we find that? We go to the 1 hour, we see what price is doing, right? Price has created a support, moved up, it's trying to create a resistance here, but something's blocking price. Now we don't have that information on the 1 hour, so what do we have to do? We have to go down to the 30-minute to make sense of it, right? Because there's going to be 2 candles in each one of these 1 hour candles, and we have to identify what those wicks are, right? So once we can identify that, now we understand there's a resistance here. So if price closes above this resistance, there's clean traffic to the left. If you have volume, you should be able to fill these wicks and move on up to that resistance. But, you know, if you end up moving down, price may, again, keeping the daily in mind, price may want to make a new support here to go up. So we're not going to take sells right off of this breakout here because we don't want to get faked out. So we have to look, where's the next support? Right here. There's a wick to fill plus clean traffic coming down to 1922. And that's how you want to look for those ranges. So it's all about looking for the ranges here. It's not certain, like, you know, there's no magic level that we put. It's just tracking price, right? Candle by candle, and really seeing, you know, zooming in and understanding where is the current price action at. And, you know, that's why we waited here. And look, you see all rejections to this level. So this is clearly an area which price is respecting. A lot of times if you look left, you will tend to see a lot of information as well, right? See these rejections here? You see that resistance, a lot of resistance here, a lot of rejection here. So that's going to be the zone, right? That's going to be the area in which current price is respecting. So yeah, that's how you got to dive down, right? You got to understand what the higher time frames are saying, and then look for, you know, identify the ranges here on the lower time frame. Napoleon Hill, 3 feet from gold. Yep. Yeah, sometimes if I have it on the 1 hour, you may say, well, where do you get that from? Right? I don't see anything there. Right? So you gotta dive deep on, and I'll usually stick to the 30-minute, right? Here and there I'll go to the 15, but 30 is gonna be the best for confirmations in terms of candle closures, right? 30-minute or 1 hour. So I find my ranges based off the 30-minute time frame. I think those are the cleanest. What steps did you take to confirm this was the right time to quit your job? Oh, as a full-time trader. Well, again, you know, some of you guys would know my story a little bit. You guys know I never really had a actual career path, right? I never really had, you know, something I was locked in and counting on. From an early age, I knew I was an entrepreneur, right? So a lot of times when I did have these little pickup jobs, I would also have side hustles, right? I would also have little businesses that I was trying to build and run. So I did it a little bit unorthodoxly, right? I did it a little bit different. I think for the majority of people who are already working careers and have, you know, that career path going for them, I would just say get good at the skill set, right? Save money, make create an exit strategy plan, right? And then when you got enough money in the bank to, you know, hold you off for a year, and you're making double in your trading than you're making at your full-time job, and you know you've got options. So, you know, I would always check with your own pocket economy and start to make that plan, and don't jump the gun too quick. All right, you'll get there. I did it a little differently, but I would recommend, you know, if you are in a career path and you know, you got stuff going on during the day, then and you're committed to it, then I would recommend really just sitting down and making that exit strategy, right? Tracking your finances, right? Getting a grip on your budget, what's going in, what's going out, right? Track every single penny, and make a plan, right? Make a plan. If you can get out of debt before you retire from or walk away from your full-time job, if you have that debt, get out of debt, right? Become debt free, and then you'll have a lot of options down the road. Beautiful fake out, yo. Hey buddy, what app do you use to add subtitle or text to your videos? Oh, I don't know. I don't do that stuff. Yeah, somebody does them for me. Yeah, I don't really know much about it. I've got that clipped. Oh, what you got clipped, Cheryl? Thanks for pointing me out, Nick. Hey, gotcha. Sergio. What up, Mr. Bubs? What up, Bubs? We're back. What up, Justin Pella? Bella? Debt free, yep. Yeah, if you can get debt free, I highly recommend it. Yep. Yeah, because then you don't have any money going out, right? Outside of your main bills, but you're not trying to pay off your debt while living off of something that you've saved all, you know, like let's say you have 12 months saved up, but you have a ton of debt still. You know, you're still going to have a lot of outgo. So what me and my wife did is, more than anything, more than money, right? More than, you know, riches or whatever, we wanted freedom, right? That was our main goal, is that if we can just get free, right? Because at one point she had more of like a career path where she worked in banking. But for me, I just kind of jumped from job to job and did like entrepreneurial stuff. So, you know, we had a big time vision, a big time goal for our family, how we wanted to live. And we had some debt, right? So we had to pay that debt off we got, you know, that debt paid, and then, you know, it was time to look towards freedom. And we weren't necessarily making a lot of money, but we knew that if we could limit the outgo, we can open up the window for freedom, right? So what we did was we decided to live extremely below our means, right? Sell cars, you know, get rid of subscriptions, right? And start to live extremely below our means and limit that outgo. So now we had a bunch of income, but we didn't have that much outgo. So that built the foundation for us. And then, you know, we were able to start walking away from our jobs, you know, whatever that was, like 4 years ago or whatever. So my number one goal in life was to get my wife free and get her home. And, you know, she always wanted to be a stay-at-home mom and work on the things that she wanted to work on. And that was my goal, right? She was willing to sell out to my vision and support me as an entrepreneur. And it takes a lot. I'm not going to lie. It takes a lot to hang out with winners, right? Be married to a winner, someone who's going to, you know, want to do stuff, right? And be productive and, you know, lead people, right? It's a lot. We have a lot of people in our life. So it's not always easy, right? To be married to a man like that. And, but it's well worth it. I promise you, it's well worth it. You know, that was my overall burning desire, was to get her free so that she could live life on her own terms with no money issues or, you know, worries or anything like that. And, you know, that was my main goal. So that drove me big time coming up in the game. Oh, nice. Working on paying off the debt right now. Yep. And it's only up from there. Yeah. And yeah, back to what I was saying, right? We limited our outgo, and we still do that today, right? We still live well below our means because we have, you know, a long-term vision, right? So yeah, it's something that you got to do for a short period of time that'll set you up for the number one lifestyle in the world. Identify with you. Oh yeah, Sergio. Yeah, man. Yep. Let's get it, Evan. Let's get it. Yeah, if you have debt, it's a good book to read, The Richest Man in Babylon. Yeah, even if you have like uncontrollable spending, you know, and impulse spending too, that's a really good book to read. You got to check that. It's a quick read. Quick read too. I think I read that book a few times. I've read that book in, you know, an hour or so. When will I increase my capital? I'm doing that right now. So as you guys know, I'm on a $400,000 account here now. So I am quadrupling my capital here. Yeah. Working with the funded trader, so we'll see how this goes. But yeah, I'm doing that as we speak, my friend. Are you married? Come on, man. Sam.
GJ is so interesting today. What? Did I hear him?
Yeah.
He don't know what's going on, bro.
Are you married? Yeah, GJ. Look, this was a nice liquidity grab on the 4 hour too.
Yeah.
A lot of buyers right here. A lot of people took this buy, I'm sure. Closure above, right back down. Not knowing that GJ is bearish, right? We're pretty bearish here. Weekly's looking good. Daily's got like this celery play going on. We closed below this level here. Yeah, clean traffic. Clean. Yeah, I used to go, this may sound crazy, but I used to, the bank my wife would work at, I would go late at night after I finished up all my things I was doing for my business, and I would claim her victory. I'd claim victory no one was there. It'd be 1 o'clock in the morning some nights. I go to that job, I'll claim my wife's freedom. Right? I'll visualize it. So one thing we used to do was have retirement parties in this business that I was a part of, and we used to call them freedom parties. And I just visualized that freedom party over and over and over again. Now that's not really how it went down, but man, I would go there and just claim victory over it.
Bro, I feel like I know exactly what you mean too. Like you're like pull up, like yeah, dude, just like looking at it, dreaming, imagine everything. Yeah, I do that.
Yeah. 100%. Yeah, I think that's a superpower I have, is that I'm not afraid to do that. And you know what? You know what I found out is that it works. It works. It's scary how it works too. Yeah, but you know what we're gonna be doing? We're gonna be having some TTE freedom parties soon. All right, we wanna show up to you at your job, and we wanna scoop you up in a Hummer stretch limo, right? With all the kids outside, with your kids, with your wife waiting for you, right? Or retiring your wife, right? Pulling up, picking her up in a Hummer stretch, telling her boss he can kiss it, right? She's coming home with you, right? Freedom parties, man. We can start that up once we're ready to go, man. Once we got people getting free, we could travel all around and do these freedom parties, man. Say, I'm taking my wife home, bro. She ain't coming here with you no more. Right? How cool would it be that that annoying darn gone boss you got, right? You put, all of a sudden it's your last day of working, and all of a sudden a Hummer stretch limo pulls up with 30 other cars all honking their horns chanting freedom, and you're walking out that door never going back. Can you see it? Can you visualize it? Can you paint the vision with me real quick? Can you do it? Time to free. Yeah, exactly. You can't pack the jet ski. That's all right. The jet skis, they don't come in the limo. They'll be waiting at the lake for you. TK throwing singles out the window. Yeah, that was a big driving force for me, man. How's the week kicking? Amazing. Kicking off great. Kicking off great. Let's go. Windows down and the system up. Yes. Speaking about champions. We got another one. What up, Johnny boy?
Hey, what's good, Nick?
How you doing,
What's
kid?
good, boys?
Johnny boy.
What's the
How
good
you
word?
boys doing?
I'm doing great, bro. How are you?
Doing wonderful, bro.
Oh yeah.
Doing wonderful. I'm fired up, boys.
Fired up. Let's go.
Fresh week. We got a fresh week, and I'm hyped. Let's go.
Yeah.
Ditto, bro. Same
Morning.
here.
Sick.
Same. Yeah.
Awesome.
I mean, that was a long weekend. Long.
Facts, it was, right?
I don't know why, bro, but so long.
Bro, we just wanted Monday to come.
Felt like I hadn't seen the charts in a week.
Word. Morning, chat. What's up?
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah, it is.
Sam, have you
Right,
ever
man.
like worked a consistent like job?
Yeah, yeah.
So you know how it is then. Sunday, you gotta go to work on Monday.
Yeah, I know. That's what I mean.
Just
It's like,
not fun.
meanwhile, I'm sitting here on the weekend like, bro.
He's
Yo,
thirsty.
right?
Yeah.
Nah, for real though.
Just sitting here drinking water the entire weekend.
Drinking
Just
water.
waiting for
running to the
Monday to
bathroom.
come around.
Yeah, rehydrating for Monday.
That brother's
Hey.
that brother's thirsty.
Hey, what's up? What's up, chat? Happy Monday. New week, baby. New week to be great.
No week.
Nah, bro, but it literally, like, I used to not like Mondays because I would be like in elementary school and stuff. So, well, now I love Mondays. So,
Monday, baby. All right, we got the NY Open here. So we did close bearish, right? But we are bullish on the day, so we don't want to jump on these sells here too early, right? The 4-hour is trying to make a support. We're gonna have to wait on that, right? As of right now, right? We don't want to take our sells. I think if we get a 30-minute closure or 15-minute closure above these ranges here, then we should be good to continue up. If not, we may want to come down, do a fake out below here to travel back up. But what we're looking for is a clean support, right? A clean support and breakout so we can take an onion play going back up. But as of right now, you got a nasty closure. It looks like we should continue down, right? But again, we don't want to get faked out going against the daily bias in this range. So as of right here, right now, there's nothing for me on gold. We'll revisit this in about 15 minutes here. Oh, Forex Master, you all right, bro? You good? What's up with you, bro?
think straight.
You thinking straight today?
Oh. Nah, he's not
Yeah.
thinking at all, bro. There ain't a thought behind those eyes.
What's wrong with you, bro?
I guess.
You crazy?
Aren't the owners of that penthouse coming back from vacation soon? It might. Yeah, we've been talking about it, honestly. We might kick it off, like, you know, have like a moving out party, and then I'm gonna find my new spot. It's already in the works. Just wait on
Hey,
it.
thanks.
Just wait on. Yeah, GJ. Let's see how the hourly closed here on pound yen. So yeah,
Back.
right at support.
Yeah.
Look at that, man.
30 closed right
Nothing.
at support too. Nothing. Let's see. What do we got here? This is your next clean range. 17 pip range. All right. Can we get a fake out to move back up? To move with this bullish higher time frame here.
Hey.
GJ is very bearish here today. Gold is very bullish. Let's let the bullish stuff flow over, and then we'll see if we can get a opportunity here at 8:15 or 8:30. I thought NY Open was 9:30. Yeah, that's going to be the NYSE Open. So that's going to be the stock exchange.
Oh, boys, how was your weekend?
Great, bro. Great.
Yeah. Chilling.
Went to the mall twice. Never
Hey.
go to the mall, but went twice this weekend and
Or,
hung out and What else? Watched Fast and Furious 1 and 2 yesterday. Just to
Nice,
chill.
bro. I love that.
Yo, I was
Beautiful.
playing poker in the Discord with
Yeah.
the Time to Eat members, bro.
Oh, for real?
That was fun.
We're
Yeah,
gonna
we
get
were
some
playing for
poker
like
tourneys going.
2 hours, bro. We were playing for like 2 hours. I was getting cooked by YOLO Trader, bro. He was cooking me. Dude kept hitting me with cleaners, bro.
Sheesh, YOLO Trader,
Yo.
huh? Told y'all, keep an eye on that man.
Yeah. I was like, 'cause I had asked, I was like, has anyone played before? And everyone was like, no. Like maybe once or twice someone played. and then I asked him again. I played a little. And I was like, oh, okay.
I played.
Bro, I gotta
They all say.
learn how to play, and then we gotta start like a tourney or something.
Yeah, you can like they have a thing where you can like literally do it inside the Discord.
Yeah, that's cool. I seen y'all playing.
Yeah.
I was gonna jump in there. Yanosh. What up, Yanosh?
And Nosh, it's good, bro.
Yanosh in the building.
Hey,
All
yo,
new
I heard
status. What happened?
yeah, I heard you guys talking on chat earlier about time to eat freedom parties, man. I can't wait for those.
Yeah, they're
Yeah.
Those are gonna
Get
be
ready.
lovely. Those are gonna be beautiful, actually.
beautiful.
Beautiful.
We did lots of things in the Discord.
Yeah, I didn't take part of anything else but poker.
All right, yeah, just wait on this. This is good though. This nice little drive down here is pretty good, right? Because again, all we're looking to do is create support. That's what Price is trying to find a good support to rip back up from. Because we've already had this move, right? We had this move up. Price is now coming down. It created support, resistance. Now it's gonna range, right? So if it can find that support here, or if we can get a somewhat of a fake out down here, and then that's where it grabs support from, right? Something like this, then we'll take our buys coming up, right? Let's say you get a closure like this, and then another closure back in the range. That's us, right? That calls for us to take these buys now, moving back up. So just wait on it.
Literally, wait on it.
Some of you guys like, but we're not going to trade right now. No, we're not going to trade right now.
Yeah.
Chill out, young grasshopper.
Simmer down.
Simmer down, youngin. You must be new here.
Hey, Chad, just like any day we come to the charts, another day focus on following the plan, working out our discipline and patient muscles, and that's really it, right? Let's keep it simple.
It's simple, man.
Any overthinkers out there, don't overcomplicate it for yourself. It's that simple. Flow state, boy. Let's go.
Let's go. Flow state. Oh yeah, we like to troll a little bit, yeah.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Sit down, take a cookie.
Yeah, y'all sit down. We got a whole session and eat a cookie.
Yes, sir. I'll be right back.
Maybe substitute the cookie for an apple or a steak. Time to eat cookies. Yup. What's up? Hey, good morning, Pablo.
Pablo, from the greatest place on earth.
Hey.
Yo, Scott, we got Scotty boy in the building.
Hey, good morning, Scott. What's up, brother?
I see you, Scott. Dominic Hayden
Hey.
asks, do you troll? Just a little bit.
A little trolling.
Yeah, something
Hey,
slight.
on flight. Hey, sorry, Scott. I did not see your comment above. Yeah, bro. But Sam, right? That's when we come to the charts. Like we only focus on our playbook setups, right? And we focus on being patient and disciplined to it, right? Like
Yeah,
that's
exactly.
really all to it. And then when we get a trade, we take whatever the market's willing to give us, right? We're just trying to be smooth and flow it and be fluent with the charts day in and day out.
Yeah, be fluent with the charts, follow the playbook, follow our sample size data,
Yeah,
backs us up, gives us our edge in the markets. Just roll with that every single day. And then you get into that flow state, like John's talking about. Because it really is the same thing every single day, you know?
literally. Yeah. Sure. Hey, your losses have lessened significantly. Nice.
Yeah, W missed the 305.
Love you for sure. That's what's up.
Missed 305. And Miami. Isn't that where the 305? I'm pretty sure that is where the 305. Yeah, Miami. I got it right. All day, yes sir. Cheryl loves the dab.
Little dabbing.
Yeah, welcome back, guys. Yeah, welcome back, everyone, on this beautiful Monday we got here. Let's not rush into anything, We still got the rest of today, right? The New York session's been open for 11 minutes. We got the rest of today and the rest of this whole week. So, let's, if you had a bad week or you did something last week that, you broke the plan and, you took a hard lesson from that, let's just move into this week. You got a fresh start, fresh week, fresh mindset. Let's not do anything that's gonna, ruin your mental state this early in the week, and then, you're gonna stay trying to chase trades the whole week, trying to make back your losses. Let's not do any of that, right? Start off on a right foot.
Sure.
Yeah.
Remember your long-term, right? Long-term goal, what you're in this for. Remember your why and where you expect to be in the next 6 months to a year to 2 years to 5 years even, right? Focus on that long-term goal. And let's take quality trades over quantity trades today, right? A lot of traders are just taking so many trades that they don't even know why, just because they're in need of a trade. Let's focus on quality, high probability setups, and let's just trade that, right? Don't need to take a bunch of trades. One good setup.
Yes, sir. I'm listening to some professionals.
Hey, sir.
What's my vision for Wednesday's news? Do I forecast days out? Absolutely, yeah. Honestly, I've had my forecast for the FOMC for a little while now, I feel like. But anyways, yeah, I'm expecting them to go through with that 25 basis point hike. We are starting to see some of the lagging effects of the rate hikes coming into the economy, but I think they're still able to go through with one more small little 25 basis point hike, and then that might be the very last one we ever see for the hike. So we'll see what happens from there, but that doesn't really change much with that being the last one, because they're still looking to just hold them right where they're at, right? We won't really see anything until they start to talk about cutting rates. That's when you'll see a huge dynamic shift in the market. but that's months out. Not like I'm talking next year. They probably won't do it until next year. But as far as FOMC on Wednesday, I'm still looking to see them go through the 25 basis point hike. But we'll see. We'll let the candles show us what price wants to do ultimately, and we'll have a lot more information in terms of daily candle closures, where price is at, whenever we come to the charts for FOMC on Wednesday. So, you know, try not to think about it too much or overthink it. That'd be my thing for now. But good morning, Shad.
Dad, what up? Morning.
Shad in the building. What up, Shad? All right, here we go. Here is the flip here on the 30-minute candle. So looks like we did that grab here perfectly, right in that 1926 zone. And then if we can close above on the 30-minute candle, then we're gonna look to have buy stops. Yeah, not the 15, but we're gonna wait on the 30 here. Nick, when are you going to? Oh, words of wisdom. Oh, that's coming soon. We'll see. We'll see.
Real soon. Yeah, Dan. Quality over quantity every day. All right.
Oh, my bad. I think I forgot to answer this. I have a doubt in break-even concept. Can you please explain example? If gold 30-minute closes below 1925, which level will you move your stop loss to break even? So if we close below like 1925, then, and let's say we had a closure, right, that looked like this, then what I would do is I would look left, right, and check this out, right? Check this price action out. Now, there's a pretty strong support right around here. And then there's also a wick fill, right? So what I would do is I would look to take this position, and I would look right for a top wick. And then as price comes down into this level here, that's probably where I would go break even. And then as we come further down to tap into this wick fill is where I would close partials. So that's where I would do it in terms of this example here, right? Start to close partials right around this range, go break even right around here as you approach these wicks and support level. And then yeah, that would be what the trade looked like for me. So yeah, it's all about looking left and identifying where where you can possibly have some sort of rejections. I think I think that wick fill is where I would close partials at, and the break even would be somewhere around like 1923, 900, somewhere around there. All right, good stuff here on the 30, flipping back up.
Yo, big W's for Mr. L Meta. Big W's.
W.
Silently obsessed with the playbook and stream. Got my first payout on 100K. Managed to pay off half my mom's debt. Yo, God bless you, Mr. L Meta.
Oh,
W.
I'm fired up.
Chat, W's in the chat, man. That's big, right? We haven't seen his name, but like he said, he's been silently obsessed with the playbook. That sounds a lot like me, bro. Congratulations. It's just the beginning for you. Yeah, just the beginning. Big W.
Good stuff.
Yeah.
Big W.
Yeah, big W's.
Great job.
There they go.
What was his name? El Meta?
El
Mr.
Meta.
L Meta. Yeah.
Let's go,
Mr. El Meta. W,
Mr. El Meta. Yeah, good stuff.
That's how I was too, like learning from Raja and everything as
yeah.
well. So yeah, big ups, big ups. I'm sure there's plenty more of you as well.
Yep.
Yeah.
Feel free to make yourself known every once in a while, you know?
Yes, sir.
Pop something in the chat. You know, I love to get to know everyone.
Yeah, let us know. Let us know what you're doing. Even if you never talk here, right? Here and there. I'm glad Sam read that because I think I might have missed that comment. But here and there, pop in the chat and let us know how you're doing. Right? Let us know how you're doing. Let's go, Freedom Party. Sergio,
We
let's
don't have
get
the
it
first
done.
freedom party.
Why not the 15? 15 closing no top wick and still close below the resistance there. So 30 is going to be our best bet. Yeah, good job. Yeah, let us know when you're running it up. What up, K Nasty?
Oh, we got Nasty in the building.
Hey, what's up, Nasty?
Yeah, let's see what Comex does here.
Yeah, we got 820. That should push us up, right? We got, so 1 minute, we should get some volume here. That volume should be good to push us up, give us a nice wick. And if we get the actual close above in 10 minutes, then that's the position we're going to be in. All right, if you get a closure above this range, you have a very nice grab to the downside here, and then stops, or you know, entry right around here, and stops kept below the previous candle or current candle. So here comes your 820 push. Let's see where we go with it. Yeah, if we can get closure somewhere around here, we can use previous candle stops. It's only going to be a 20 pip stop loss if we get some sort of closure right around 27,500 here. Thank you, TTE. Oh, let's go. Yeah, just the start, brother. Let's get it. Let's run it. What's 820? 820 is the commodity exchange open. So you're going to see a lot of volume pump into gold for about a minute or two at right around 820 every day. All right, we got 8 minutes. So if we can close somewhere around the area in which we're at now, that'd be awesome. Please share links to the playbook. Oh yeah, hit exclamation point journal. You should be good. David Tot, what up, David?
David.
What's good? All right, look at this. Look at this, man. Got a wick to the downside, wick to the upside.
Hey, the importance of candle closures, right?
Yep, 30-minute candle closures specifically.
30-minute, yes, to be
Right.
specific.
These are going to be our best confirmations off the 30-minute time frame.
Yeah.
Have you always traded this way, or did you used to swing trade before finding? Yeah, I used to intraday trade. Yep. Yeah, so I used to intraday trade, and you know, one thing I noticed about that, and then I heard Raja say the same thing one time, but I would get into these lovely positions, and you know, it's kind of boring, right? I had to wait for a price to get to a key level. I mean, that's trading, right? Is waiting, but it wasn't like you were just sitting there watching the charts, right? Because let's say price is right here, I was like waiting for price to get to like, let's say 1930, right? So I wasn't gonna be doing anything for that whole day, pretty much, right? And then once it did get here, that's when I would look for entries and maybe take a position, go down, whatever, just an example, right? So but one thing I noticed is that we would go, all of a sudden, like I'd get into an entry, right? Let's say I got into an entry somewhere along this line here, and I noticed that I would go like 15, 20 pips in profit, right? Let's say this move here, 15, 20 pips in profit, and then price would pull back. And I go back and draw down for a while, and it just took forever. And I thought, man, I could have just closed 20 pips right there and made some money and been out and then just waited for the next trade. So that's when I started diving into, you know, more of this style of trading. And, you know, I personally, I like to kind of come trade a session and then that's it, right? Get off. I don't want to be looking at the charts all throughout the day and all that stuff. So that's kind of what geared me more towards this style, is that I knew I can come for pre-New York, I can come for New York session, and then once the New York session's over, either I found a move, didn't find a move, whatever, and I would just call it a day and come back the next day. So that's kind of like why I switched over. And the fib was fibbing, and it was crazy stuff. Yeah, very time consuming. Yeah, I'll always be looking at my phone. You know, once I'm done here, I don't really have to look at my phone anymore, right? I'm not looking at charts, I'm not looking at trading. Once I finish up the session, you know, and like let's say 12 p.m. comes around, Eastern time, I'm done, right? I'm not looking back at the charts now until later on in the Asian session. So yeah, I'll be at the gym in a trade, like, nah. Yeah, that was the other thing too. Yeah, bought back some time. Because although it doesn't seem like you're not really doing anything, because you're either waiting for a trade setup or waiting for that setup to play out, it's a lot of just mental energy, right? Just going, looking at the trades, you know, going, looking at your phone. You can't get a real good workout in because you're in drawdown or you're in right? It's like, yeah, let me do my job here and then bounce. And then do whatever I want after that.
Got a manage risk at dinner, like, I don't know.
My barber's a swing trader. Yeah, and you gotta figure out a style that fits your life, right? So that's kind of the thing also, right? I've got a family and stuff, so you know, by the time they wake up, they usually wake up right around the time, a little bit before we close the stream down. So yeah, that just kind of suits me best, right? Come into the office, get the job done, and then, you know, be able to kind of do whatever with the day. All right, what are you gonna do here? 1 minute. What are stops now?
Yeah.
21 pips, not bad at all. Let's see if we can get this closure above. Let's see what the 4 hour is doing here. Yeah, because if we do get the closure above, we can anticipate the 4 hour trying to create support here, right? And the next 4 hour to continue up. So Lovely Monday. Soon we're gonna see the window cleaners behind Sam.
Yeah, they're
hanging
gonna
on the
come up.
window.
Need me scrubbing.
Dude's gonna be hanging on the window, squeegeeing the window down. 2 seconds. Will we close above? No, we won't. Yep. So nothing. Right? Nothing on that 30-minute candle. Nothing.
Later this week, you get to hear the landscapers.
Oh,
Psych.
yeah.
Psych.
That'll spice up the stream.
Yeah, bring out the old mic.
The whole AB mic.
Bring out the whole Mac.
Yeah, you guys want me to bring the Mac back out? We'll bring the Mac back out so you can hear my mouse clicking every time. Click, 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 click.
You hear the swords coming out.
You hear my magic keys ringing. Mac's gone. Let's take a look at pound yen. Yeah, nothing there on GJ. What we want to see on GJ, because we're bearish, we want to see, you know, maybe something like this. Right? Some sort of candles pushing up and a resistance formed. And then we could take our sells here. That's what we want to wait for. We definitely don't want to take buys going against the daily bias with no top wick. I say we just wait for a retracement. And gold, we're going to have to see now how this 4-hour candle closes. $420 likes. Whoa. 420. Let me make it 421 or 22 now. Hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream, if you can give the stream a like, that would just make my day. Yeah, just one of your likes would just make my day. Ooh. Look at you guys. You're making my day. You're making my day now. Wow. 480. Can we get to 500? Can we see 496. Can we see 596? Oh, 507. We got 507. Can we see 520? 520. 520. 517. 520. 520. Hey, we see 520. I don't see 520 yet. Oh, 533. Can we see 550? 550. Get 550. Who got 550? Anyone got 550 here? Oh, 554. 554. Can we get 600 now? That's a big one. 50. That's almost 50 likes there in a couple seconds. Can we get to 600? That's going to be a stretch. There's 573. I see 573 now. Oh, 582. 600 is coming. Creeping up, creeping up, creeping up. Who got 600? Did we got 600? Can we get it sold? Can we get it sold? Can we get it sold? Oh, 598, 598, 598. Can we get 600? Oh, 609. W chat. W auction. 620 there. Look at there come the likes. Can we get to 700? That's the big one. That's the big question. Can we get from 4 to 7 in record time in 2 minutes? If we get to 700 before 34 here, 834, that's gonna be pretty awesome.
You gonna see a casino? Oh.
Tap the like button to win a free transit.
Check out motion.
We got motion. Likes got motion. Bring out the whole likes here. Everyone get a like. You get a like. And you get a like. And you get a like. Motion in the likes.
Free chance to like the stream. Yes, sir.
Oh, can we get 700? We're at 670. Can we just get to 700 before the auction ends? Until I put all my auction voice away. I see 678. 678. Can we get to 690? If we get to 690, that means we're only 10 away from 700. So if we get to 690, that would be awesome. Do I see 690? I see 680. Do I see 690? Do I see 690? Oh, 700 coming. 20 left. 20 left. 17 left, 16 left, 16 more to go. Can we get to 700? We only need 14 more to go. That will, oh, there we go. 688. 688. Do we see 700? I see 692. 692. We're creeping. We're creeping. 3, 2, 1, 700. Oh, 699. One more. Can you be that one lucky one to get us to 7? Ooh, okay. 700's tapped. Job well done, chat. Job well done. All I'm asking for is a few likes. Don't give me too much. Don't give me too much. Oh, look at this, moving bullish. Alrighty, cool. Yeah, I think we get a 4-hour support here, right? Let me remove everything. So we've been moving up, right? We've created support, moved up, created support, moved up. So if we do create a support here, then we should be good to continue on up here today, right? Nice support on the 4-hour time frame. This candle closes something like this, right? You have this support level here, and then the next candle can move on up. So let's see. Let's see what Goldie wants to do. Thanks for the likes, guys. Thanks for the likes. Really do appreciate it. He likes the likes. El Capos. The likes are up and gold is up. Oh. What are we gonna do, Goldie? W chat, yeah, W. Look at the NASDAQ. All right, let's take a look. Let's take a look. So, starting on the weekly time frame, we are pretty bearish now, right? We created that resistance. We've moved down. We've got clean price action coming down to the left-hand side. So you should see a nice push here, right? This previous weekly candle closed bearish as well. Never broke the lows there. So it kind of closed with no bottom wick. But overall, we are pretty bearish on the weekly. We're also pretty bearish on the daily, right? We see that we have a closure below this zone. And if we look left, you have clean traffic coming down to the support level here. So let's go ahead and take a look at what that looks like on the 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour, let's get rid of this. 4-hour chart, you have a support. And you also have another support right here, right? So we really need to close below this support. Get rid of this one. And if we're going to see a push down, right? And if we do close below there, you should see price come into this like 150 zone. That's off the 4-hour. Let's take a look at what that looks like on the 1-hour. We got to adjust this support a little bit there. Pretty much, yeah, right around there. So you may get a, let's see. Yeah, we should be pushing down, right? We want to see these lows re-break. Let's go ahead and look at the 30-minute. Yeah, I think we're coming up to retrace a little bit. So if we can get a retracement, look for a potential, fake out right in this range here. I think that'll be perfect. What I mean by that is we're bearish on the day. So we want to look for these sells, right? So we let price come up. We let price close and then form some sort of resistance. Right? If price can form a resistance, then we can retake sells now. Coming back down, and then that's when you may see the drive here come NYSE open. So that's what I'd be looking at, right? You have this kind of support going on here. So, and there's support to the left-hand side, so you want to wait now. See if you can get a resistance form, whether that be here, that may be here, but wait for that resistance to form, and then take your sells coming back down. Yeah, and if not, then I would wait for range 2 buys above here. Wow. NASDAQ really drove down here. sell me your channel? Never.
Prices.
If you had to use an indicator, which one would it be? The EYES indicator. So that's gonna be up here. The EYES. So yeah, that's probably the only one I would use here on this strategy. EYES. Yep. Immaculate breakdown. Oh, thanks, Justin. Appreciate that, man. Thank you for what you've taught me. Oh, little kid in the building. Lee Carroll. Book it. Oh, I would maybe take the Twinkies if I ate them, but I don't eat Twinkies. Not a bad deal, though. I like how you likes. like. EYES indicator, yep. Should we put it on right now, TK?
Yeah, PTSD.
Only indicator.
They're typing it out and they're like finally reading it. Like, hold on. That's it, eyes? Wait, what? Oh, it's eyes.
We do a little troll.
Yes, sir. Do a little trolling. Trade what you see, you know?
You thought you were going to get that 100% winning strategy, didn't you?
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Hey, don't bounce from strategy to strategy because there's no such thing as 100% winning strategy. Lock in on one and let's get busy.
Lock it in. I searched it. Yeah. It's Marco fam. What up, Marco fam? Hey, chat, we got Mike in the building. Can we get some Mikes in the chat here today? For Mr. Mike is back in the building. We always love to see Mike.
Mike.
Hopefully you didn't search up the EYES indicator, Mike. But good to see you here today, brother. Good to see you here. How you doing, brother? I'm doing great, Marco. Mike in the building. Yo, everything Mike says. Everything Mike says. It gets doubled, baby.
It's lagging. Mike, but dude's name's not Mike.
Today, Junior.
Mike.
Today.
Wait.
What's your name, boy? Mike.
Today, Junior.
Bring out the whole Mike.
Mike squared. Oh, someone's quaking.
Quake.
Hey, Mikey, 2 times.
Oh, interesting here now. Look at this 4-hour. We got 16 minutes on the 4-hour candle here, so. Billy Madison. Bring out the whole Adam Sandler movies. The Wayne's World.
AB Mike first, Mike.
It'll be the first time
get him in the octagon.
Organized boxing match. Ooh, should we give them both challenge accounts? And see who can duck it out?
Who can get it? Yeah, honestly,
challenge
that'd be dope. I'd rather see that. That's a good idea.
Gamify.
Everyone gets their investor login.
Oh.
Shad, TTE fight. Coming in hot. TTE Arena, baby. Hey, that's got a nice little ring to it. Oh, that's what's
About to
going
do
on
TTE
Twitter.
account challenges.
Backyard garden street beefs. Raja says 30-minute time frame is the best time frame. What do I think? I agree with that 100%.
And
30-minute time frame is the best time frame. Because look, it's given us all the answers we've needed. And every closure has said, alert, alert, hold up, don't trade yet. Alert, alert, hold up, don't trade yet, right? So once we have that confirmation, we're good to go, right? And if you get a 30 to close below here, then we're going to take sells, right? Because you've gotten that range too, right? You've gotten that this was your original range from last night, right? Came down, created support, resistance. If you close below there, very high chance we could fill that range there today. Should be coming down to maybe create a steeper bottom wick on the daily. TTE Coliseum, now we're talking.
hey,
Now we're talking. 5K challenge to the winner gets $100. Ooh, yeah, that's got a nice ring to it. I like it. Everything's got nice rings to it here today. Later. Later in 14, possibly. Possibly, right? Because this is our daily low, right? So this is the daily bottom wick. So if we do want to come down and make a daily steeper bottom wick, well, that's our target, right? We're looking to target that low. And that would also make sense because I don't believe this is going to be the weekly top wick. And remember what we talked about on the weekly time frame here, right? You kind of have this weekly celery play going on because let me change the color here. You've closed below this major level of resistance here, right? And you can just see like this high has been respected right now. So if you can close like there's also some sort of a zone right here, right? So if we can close next week back below, well, that breaks this weekly low here, right? Because I can see this weekly candle moving down. All right, from experience, I can see that this weekly candle is most likely going to drive down here. We've never broken the highs, right? We're coming down to the lows. So, very, very high probability we come down. And if that happens, then today we break those lows. And those lows are going to be the weekly and the daily lows here. So let's see if price action gives us what we need. And then we can see a nice push down, right? You close below 22 as well. You have clean traffic to the left. And it doesn't even necessarily mean we have to move down, right? Because this 4-hour candle, what it can do is it can go like this, right? It can go bearish, right? Move bearish down, but then come back up and give us that exhaustion wick, right? So you have basically a bullish closure with a huge exhausted wick, right? For price to continue up the rest of the day if we want to continue moving bullish. But what we'll do is we'll see closures on the lower time frames below these 27 areas or 22 or whatever, and then that's when we'll take our sells coming back down. Yeah, and all we need is all we're looking for is to fill that range, right? So we're not going to be greedy traders. We're just going to take what the market's willing to give us. And if we look at the 30, we have a nice clean range coming down to 22 there. So yes, yeah, you'll find that on the EYES indicator. That's correct. Oh, Sam's coming and going. Whoa, he's disappeared.
Whoa,
Whoa.
Oh,
There
like
we
a
go.
ghost, bro.
Whoa, whoa.
oh, he's a ghost.
whoa.
Holy.
Rookie season.
October's very own.
Go.
We're gonna get a 9:30 celery here today, Scotty boy. What do you think? Scott's here, right?
Hey,
I didn't
Scott.
see him, but I heard you guys say.
Yeah,
his
he
name.
is. He is. Scott, you would love that, right?
Hey,
9:30
chat. We
celery.
haven't had a 9:30 celery in a minute. Sam
Has been a
glitch.
minute.
It's been quite some time. Missed those 30 celeries. Where they at? Yes, sir. 9:30.
Hey, we love some 9:30, man. Come on.
Yes, sir.
That's making a lot of sense.
Yeah. Scott rubbing his hands already. Scott's like, I can't wait to mark this one up later. Get this one out to the squad. Get off your phone, Nick. Sorry, sir. Get back to work. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Phone's away.
Yo, it's like working again.
I promise. I was just texting my mom, sir. I'm so sorry. My wife called. She had something that I needed to take care of with the kids. I'm so sorry. It won't happen again.
Yo. Come on, bro. That's so true though. Like I'm laughing, but that's kind of sad.
Wife, I'm so sorry. I know you're dealing with an emergency, but Bill over here needs me to get off the phone.
He needs me to do the paperwork for him.
Yeah, shout out to Scott for breaking down the trades, baby.
Hey, shout out Scott.
Get back to work.
Sound like Bob. Yo.
Imagine someone has a problem with you answering a phone call from your wife. Like, what?
Mom. Honey, we need you to pick up diapers. Get back to work. Yo. Oh, snap. Hey, man.
I mean, you wish Forex paid hourly.
I'm in sales now. Yep. Yeah, man. That actually threw me back.
Three back some days.
Me no work for you? What do I work for you? Who's ever seen Sebastian Maniscalco or whatever his name is, man? That guy
He's a clown.
That dude is too funny, man. What do I work for you? Dude goes, yeah. You know, my wife, she takes forever to order at the restaurant, right? She's got to bring this guy, ring him around. Does this taste good? Does that taste good? And then she'll ask me, you know what, honey? Why don't you go first? He goes, all right, give me steak and a lobster. All right, what do you want? He's like, what did you think? I was going to take this guy around the restaurant for you to make up your mind? You think I was going to talk this guy's ear off? You think I was going to take this guy around the restaurant? Like, come on.
That was a funny one.
She said, honey, I'm gonna need some time. Why don't you order first? Steak and lobster, done. What do you want? Aren't you embarrassed?
Yo.
Nah, that dude's too funny, man. He's probably my favorite comedian. That man's hilarious.
Bro, I gotta watch some more of him.
What time is it by you? It's 3 here in Cape Town. It is 8:55 a.m.
Yo.
Yo, I love when John says that. It's so funny, bro.
Yo, FX Viking, honestly, I don't know about that. Nick would be going to work late. Yeah.
Bro, change music? No, you change your YouTube username.
Nick, was there ever another employee that went to work later than you?
What do you mean?
Like,
I didn't show up late. What you talking about, Willis?
not the cat.
What you talking about? You could be a slave to Bill or a slave to the charts. Oh my god, that's the funny. Yo, that was one of my favorite ones. What kind of names are we giving our grandparents nowadays? This Yo, this poor man
Wait,
stormed the beach of Normandy, and now you're calling him Popo? What are you? You calling this man Peapod now?
I'm gonna have to look that up.
Yo,
Pop? Like, what?
this man stormed the beach of Normandy, and you're calling him Peapod? Yo, that's too funny.
Yo.
Yo. Yo.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Bro, trolling Peapod, man. What happened to explain what happened in this candle? I don't know. It's just driving down. Just driving along here.
Yeah.
Right? Create a resistance on the 1 hour, just driving. 4 hours looking good. 4 hours moving down here too. Yeah, we're probably gonna want to give this daily candle a bottom wick. Steeper bottom wick.
Long Trump.
Almost got Nick to swear. Rip it. What do you think about the volume coming in? It looks good. If we break the 4 hour previous low, yeah, it looks good. A lot rides on the closure now of this 4 hour candle, right? We do have a pretty strong support right here. We really want to see price close below that support, not right at it. If we do close right at it, then you may now see what we talked about earlier, right? A support being formed for price to move back up. So let's see how the candle close. We got 1 minute here for the closure. So let's see how that closes, and then we'll have a lot cleaner direction. Yeah, we're coming up to that support there, so. I'm done. This guy said CPI in 2 minutes.
Okay.
Hey, bro. You're on the nose.
Okay, what will we do? 48 seconds. Will we close a no bottom wick and give a clue to move up, or what will we do? I was trolling.
Yeah, I was trolling.
Trying to make me look over at Forex Factor?
Yeah, we know when CPI is. It's the second Wednesday of every month.
Genius.
Guys, stormed the
8:30
beach
a.m.
of Normandy, man.
That just exploded
that
so
may
many
have
people's
been,
brains.
that may have been the funniest thing that man said.
Nice.
Yeah, I might have to binge watch all his comedies here over the next couple days. You can't troll the professional trollers. Let them know, Shiro.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little
so
trolling.
like,
We do a little trolling. All right.
nice.
Closed at support, yeah. So look, we closed. So 4 hour. Let's get rid of all the drawings here, right? So 4 hour closed, right? But it closed right at this support right here, right? So can price still go down? Yes, right. We are bearish. Price did close bearish, but we did close at that support. There is clean traffic down coming to the left hand side. There is also nice clean move coming up, right? So now what we need to do is we need to see how the 15-minute candles are going to close, right? Because if we can close now back above these ranges on the 15, then we know we have a support and we should be good to continue up. The one thing we need to be hesitant on is this support here, right? So I think a 15 or a 30-minute closure will do us best here. If we can close somewhat like celery and remain down here, I think we can continue down, right? If not, then we may see a support formed and a move back up. So we'll let the 4 hour open up a little bit, give it some time, and see where we're at in 15. One minute. Just relax. It's only been 1 minute.
Yeah.
Can you hold it together in the testing times here during
It's
this
only
session?
been 1 hour since the New York session has kicked off here today.
Yeah. I'm gonna get some water. Yeah, I'll be right back.
What would Donald Trump do? He'd probably do a little bit of trolling.
Hey, we need Trump's tweets back, man.
Yeah, we do. We need him to move the markets.
For real.
At least 15-30 minutes. Wait. Yes, sir. Sul? Oh, yes, sir. Or ma'am.
Yeah, y'all waiting game. You're getting paid to wait. Technically.
David Quinones. No, you will not, bro. What events do you do?
Yo, did you play any sports in high school, Sam?
Yeah, I hooped. And then
Alright,
ran track, yeah.
Hey,
I
what's
hurdled
up?
4x4, 4x1. Yeah, I was aight.
Or what'd you like better?
I mean, I like
Like-
playing basketball more, but competing with track, obviously.
Word.
I love track. I feel like trading has related to track and field so much just because it's an individual sport. So it's really you versus you in your head, right? Like nobody is like when you're in the middle of a race. I mean, it's like you can't even hear anybody else that's yelling for you.
Just your
It's
own
just
head.
you versus your own head, yeah.
Yeah.
You know, 100-meter hurdles and relay. You know, you don't do that. You don't run the 400. That was my best event.
Yeah, my wife ran track, and she was a swimmer.
Oh,
She was swimming.
Yeah.
your best 100-meter 10.7. All right, you're kind of fast. I'll say that. I never really ran the 100 though because I was always doing the 110 hurdles. But the fastest one that I ever had like officially timed was like 11.4. My fastest 400 though was 49.2.
That boy fast.
I got the record
That's
for that.
pretty fast, too. I'm not gonna lie.
Got the record. They gave me
That's
the whole
mad.
hurdle. Hold on, that's hanging up way over here. But they gave me it for wait, can you see it? Oh, I guess you can't.
Nah, is it out that penthouse window?
This
Oh, yeah.
top of the hurdle
Hey.
with my records
Hey.
in it.
Fire.
There it goes.
Can't see, bro. Yeah, whatever. But yeah, that's what I did. I think individual sports like wrestling, track and field, swimming, those are all great things. I feel like I definitely translated into trading. Tried 400 once, almost died.
Not fast. Because to be great in those sports, like you need the mental skills, just like in trading. It's literally you versus you. You in your own head.
Yeah. 49. Yeah, I could never do 49 again. I don't want to say never, but bro, I'd have to get in crazy shape to do that again.
Did you like the practices
No.
like after school every day?
With track, no, I did not. Well, that's the thing is, because that's all like discipline, you know. I feel like
Yeah.
I loved it though.
Sacrifice.
I had a great coach too, because he was
Right.
he's like an old school coach where he's like really tough on you. But
Word. So,
I love that.
like
I didn't
basketball,
at the
too.
time.
basketball too, you probably ran like sprints, like suicides, some shit
Oh
like every
yeah.
day.
Yeah, see, suicides weren't that bad for me when I was doing basketball because I would always be running. Like I would do
Yeah.
yeah, track would be in the spring. And yeah, so it's like I don't know. Yeah. I didn't hoop my entire high school year though. They were my class was super good. It's the only time that my school won the state entire championship.
For real?
Yeah, it was my year.
Yeah, yeah, FX Viking, we run the charts now.
Yeah. Run the charts. Got that track build? Yeah, absolutely. If you look at me, you could definitely tell that I ran. I was a runner.
Facts. You run
I'm
track,
on-
swim, or any of that, you're basically in dynamite shape for life. Like it just don't wear off.
Yeah, that's true.
Sam's a runner. He's a track star. Yeah, he is.
I used to be.
When I was 15, I bought my first Mercedes Benz. All right, let's
What
see if
song
we're
is
gonna
that?
get support. No top wick on that 15 either up there. My sports was NBA 2K. Hey, we're about to whip out the 2K. We're about to get the big screen TV,
Hell
Joe.
yeah.
Joe, what do you say, John? We get the big
Oh,
screen
yeah, I'm
TV.
down,
we
bro.
deck it out for 2K tournaments here pretty soon.
Hell yeah.
We need some more of you in Tampa to
Wait
pull
on
up.
them. Wait on them because they're happening.
Does anyone live in Tampa here? We got any Tampa people in the house?
Donald, that's funny though. He lives in Tampa.
NHL too.
NHL, I don't know. That's gonna be a
Chances
little
are my
difficult for
brother
some.
Joe can beat you at NHL.
Yeah, I bet all my money on Joe to win the tournament.
St. Pete. Oh, nice.
He's got full margin on Joe.
Jackson.
Full margin on Joe.
Yeah. If any bet, if it comes to sports or video games, I'll bet on Joe, and good luck to you guys.
All that.
Best of luck. Looking good here, chat. Looking good. Let's wait for our price
Some
action
of you are
here.
not that far.
Oh, you bet on Z Gamer? Oh, Z Gamer versus Joe in some online. What do you got? What do you play, Z Gamer?
The gamer.
What games? What's your top 3? He plays everything. Forex game. Oh, Joe's ready. Talk to me, he said. FIFA,
GTA.
GTA? Gotcha. Joe don't play FIFA, right, Joe? I'm sure you could figure it out.
He has. I'm sure he has. Let him look at tutorial and it'll be good.
That's right, you know.
Rocket League. Rocket
Game of life.
League. Yo, nasty. Take him to the cleaners.
Yo, Rocket League was fun as hell.
That dude is sweaty at that game, bro. Just expose him.
Yo.
I'm here, fam. Did I miss anything? Some good knowledge and some wisdom, but no trades.
TK. What's up, TK?
Oh, 1 versus 1. Anyone? Lee Carroll. Cheers, Lee. Cheers, mate.
Late.
Got a strawberry burn here. Oh, nice. Nas 100. Let's take a look. Nasdaq. Oh yeah, look. So look, you're starting to get that resistance now. So just wait for that resistance to form, and then there go your sells. Yep. Pretty much what we talked about doing. The fake out may, or the resistance may form here too. So. Gotta read them books, baby. Oh, you playing around with the Stream Deck? Oh, nice. Very, very nice. Good morning, Rita. Rita's in the house. Good morning.
Weed up.
Good morning. Show me the money. Show me the money.
Yeah, it's all digital.
It's digital now. Yeah, we were waiting for somewhat of a fake out here on gold. I think we may have got it here. right, we're back up here. So we're back up at 1927 now here. Yeah, we need to see a 30-minute candle close above here before we take buys. So the 15 candle closed here, bullish right at, I'm gonna wait here, right? I'm not gonna touch anything. Every time we moved up here on the 30, we had nothing, right? No closure above, no push up. So if we do get a closure above now, right, then you should see the next candle drive up. But we gotta wait on the 30 here. Or I should say I have to wait on the 30. You guys can do anything your heart desires.
There's the move. Plan.
Weekly will break previous weekly? It could. It could attempt to do it again. Right, our target is up there at 1929,900. So yeah, it could attempt to push up and break those highs. You got a nice clean range here, so. Bullish cup and handle? Where do you see a cup and... No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, cup and handle. Yup, for sure. For sure. Sam, that's hilarious. That message. Oh, where'd Sam go? There he is.
Oh yeah, did you hear it?
Nah, I didn't play it.
I think it's like 2 seconds long. It's just him saying that. The title.
What do you mean by that?
What do you mean by that?
Yo, I love that. What do you mean by that?
with Jarisky.
Yeah, that's hilarious.
He's hilarious too. He's a funny comedian.
Okay, cool. We're pushing up here now. Lovely. Broke the 30 high there. Good stuff. Yeah, we need a closure now. Nice candle closure would be perfect. Possibly even like a pack runner on the next position. Break down and then move up. We got volume coming in 12 minutes. Will I be talking with Soundboard soon? Maybe. 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 Cup in hand. Let's bring out the full margin. Hold on 1 second.
Anything could happen here. We just need to wait on this closure. There's a lot more info. Yeah, but while we're waiting, like the stream. Thanks, E-Gamer.
Yeah, and subscribe to the channel. Join the family if you haven't yet. You got big things coming 20K. You don't want to miss it.
Oh, yes.
No FOMO. You won't miss it if you're subscribed. No FOMO.
Awesome. Let's take these highs out. Yeah,
That's
FX
the
Viking.
previous 4 hour.
Yep. I never tell people I day trade or trade anything. I just tell them I'm in sales. I sell online optimization. Yes. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. What a great guy. Yes, do not eat any of those cheeseburgers, chat. I'm warning you. Do not eat any of those cheeseburgers from fast food restaurants. Please. I love y'all too much.
Bring McDonald's to your house, honestly. Like,
Do not eat them.
cook it yourself.
I sell candles. You could buy
Hey,
100
Taco Bell
burgers
too.
from Wendy's right now for $1. That sounds fishy to me. That sounds very experimental to me.
Go look at that.
All right, we got 8 minutes, so as long as we get a
Get a-
closure above, we'll be sitting pretty here.
Get a hot cheeseburger for only a penny. Like, what are we in the freaking 1920s again? Like,
They think we're stupid, chat. They think we are stupid.
We're the whole ways back in the 1920s. That's crazy.
yeah.
We're back on the gold standard prices.
TK. It's like, wait, now you're serving us 100% real fruit. What was it prior to that? Sheesh. Why do I hate McDonald's? No, McDonald's hates us. Trust me.
Yeah.
But I'm loving it.
Yeah, there's a reason why Warren Buffett's telling you, oh, it's so wonderful, I eat it every day. Yeah,
I drink a
he's
McDonald's
capping,
Coke
bro.
every day.
Yeah, he's capping, bro. He's trying to get his stock to go up.
Getting paid.
Oh, the millionaire
Nice.
says that it's good. Me too. Eat McDonald's would make me just like Warren Buffett. Dude's diving.
Yeah, I stay away from food talks. I stay away from food. Only the best. Maybe that's why he's still alive? Hey, maybe. All right, gang, it's coming up here. 9:30 is on the horizon. Be healthy, stay healthy. Yeah, gang, could you imagine? You know you're putting that inside of your body, right? You know when it goes into your mouth, it goes into you. Like, you sure you want to be eating that? Like, just think about that. Have we ever actually thought about that? Whatever you put in your mouth is going... Yeah, man, that's crazy.
You're absorbing rubbish in your bloodstream. And then it's going to your heart.
Like, how'd
and
that
it's
pizza
pumping
get...
into your brain.
How'd that pizza fit in there? What?
Literally. Yes, the temple that supports you throughout your life. You're putting that in there. Yep.
All right. Yeah.
Yo, what? How did I just type that moon?
Yeah, yo, before you get a Wendy's cheeseburger for 1 cent, rethink about it.
Matrix.
This dude.
All right, lovely. We got 4 minutes coming up. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a pullback on this candle. We're most likely going to put stops below the 50. See these wicks here? We'll put stops below these wicks if we close nice bullish here. And we may get a bottom wick, right, for this 15-minute candle before moving up. So that's what the plan is looking like so far. Partials will be taken at 1930. Full TP will be up here at 1934. And again, stops will probably be sitting, you know, below these lows here. And then right around 1929, 300 is where we'll probably go break even.
Why is it not working now?
All right, 3 minutes. So lock it in here, chat. 3 minutes. Yeah, stop should be like 20 pips.
We should break that resistance to the left too with volume.
Yeah, right here.
Sir.
Yeah, we want to see this candle pull back just a little bit here.
All right, stop with the chat. Yo, I did not mean to do that. So like on Twitch, if you type that in the chat, it gives you an emote, and then I did it in the yeah, there you go. Now you guys are getting to work. I was trying to figure out how to do it again. Sorry.
Sorry. All right.
Now the whole chat.
Two minutes. You tricked me, mate. How much trades do I put in at once? Usually one trade. Can we get a little, I want to see if we can close a little bit lower. Right around this level here. Yeah, no, yeah.
Nice.
I already know that there's no bottom wick, right? We already talked about potentially getting a 15-minute celery. Yeah.
Definitely don't want it to close that resistance.
Nope. We want to see this thing pull back here. We got 1 minute. All right. We don't want it to close up here because we have resistance here. So we really want to see it pull back a little bit. How you doing today? I'm doing fantastic. How about you? Maybe a 15-minute pack runner? Yeah. Oh, sorry, didn't hear that. Didn't hear what? Oh, 15-minute maybe? Yeah. Okay, perfect. So we did pull back a bit. Let's see if we can get a bottom wick. Let's see if we can roll bullish real quick and then come down and make a bottom wick here. All right. All right, we got a candle to close here. We don't have a high on this candle just yet. Let's see what we do. If we come down a little bit further, we'll have buy stops here. All right. Did we break the 15 low? Almost, almost. All right, chat, perfect. Going to have buy stops here at 1927.886. Stops are going to be kept below this low here, so wherever that may be. Perfect. All right, lovely. We have 930 here, lots of volume on our side. If we do move bullish, then you should see a flip and then a move up here. So let's see what happens. Let's see how steep these stops go. But there you go, you're tapping into that 1926 level right there. If we pull up from there, great. If not, we may, we may start to move down. So this is a 30-minute breakout. Yeah, so a 30-minute breakout here at 9:30, right? Look at all the candles that attempted to close above here, right? On a bullish day. So we've had that support, we've pushed up, we've closed above there. On the 30-minute time frame, it's been the first candle to do that in quite some time. You are coming down, right? We didn't have a bottom wick on that 15. We broke that low here. If we start pushing down any further, we'll probably delete and wait for a 15-minute closure. But this is still pretty solid here. Yeah, especially with that final breakout. Yeah, we'll have to move the stops accordingly in a minute.
Hopefully this our stops, right? Like tapping into that support level.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, we'll move our stops. If that's gonna be the low, then we'll move the stops. But if we re-break the low, we'll probably delete here and then wait for the 15 closure. For those of you in the signals group, I will change the stop, right? Once we have a official changed stop. I'm not gonna just change it every 2 seconds, right? If that's gonna be the low, we'll change it then. Just right now, hold your horses.
Hold your
Trend is bearish. Look at the daily. Trend is bullish right now on the daily. We've got the closure above. That's the only reason that we have these orders in, right? If we re-break that low, what we'll do is we'll delete them and then we'll wait for a 15 closure and we'll see what the direction looks like at that point. All right, cool. So let's delete these. Boom, because now the stops have gotten too big and price is moving down with this volume. So if the 15 closes back above, then we will reset the buy stops. If not, we may, you know, switch directions here. All right, cool. Yeah, so we'll delete that. We'll wait here on the 15-minute time frame. We'll see what we got going on the 15 and then go from there. Grabbing up sellers. Yeah, probably. Yeah, for those who sold, what confirmation did you have? You had 0 confirmation here to sell. I'm not sure what you guys seen there. You just knew? You just knew it was going to go down? Oh, 1 hour. Packy. Trend line break and retest. Oh, nice. 15-minute onion. Supply and demand up there. Yeah, but what other confirmation outside of that? So yeah, we know that there's an area up here for sure. But what did you actually have to confirm? I'm using 5-minute. Oh. I've just been holding
cheeseburger place at the sell. Sounds about right.
Head and shoulders.
No top wick or nothing either. Like, sheesh, I'd have at least waited for that.
Let brother starve.
I see nothing.
One-minute chart was dancing. Stochastic. Fibonacci level 22, huh? Ooh. You got a point there, Nick. $15 closed below the range. Yeah, but what if this 15 closed bullish?
Or from those.
Printing barcode. Gotcha. I see. Okay. Yeah, we'll wait for the 15 here. 30 is just printing barcode at this point. 1 hour did break the high. We're now coming back down to these lows here. 4 hour did break the high as well. So you may have a 4 hour pack runner, right? The only thing stopping us is this 4 hour support. But I think if we can get a closure here on the lower time frame, then this is going to look pretty good. Yeah, let's see. 15-minute candle closing in 5 minutes here. Barcode strategy, 100% win rate. Just whatever the previous bar was, just go the opposite, right? So now I see your strategy. Okay, you had a bear barcode, green card barcode, and then sell on the next barcode. Got it. Perfect. I'm gonna I need some mentorship on this barcode strategy here. So who can I pay? Who can take my money? If someone could give me a valid. Just kidding. Lasagna.
Valid. Valid.
He's about to start making deals. Barcode strategy. Yeah, I see the vision.
Yeah.
It's like
W to the barcode.
the white bar goes up, black bar comes back down. So you were just you assume the next candle just comes back down. Got it.
W on the
The
barcode.
gravity play went up, so it's coming down.
Gravity.
I suppose I could take your money. Yes, send me your bank account and I'll send you some money and we'll set up a call and you teach me how to take advantage of this. Cause man, if I could take advantage of this, oh, we're gonna have trades every day here, chat. Every single day. We will have trades and everyone who's trade happy will be so happy leaving the streams Monday through Friday. Probabilities, right? Yeah.
We've been in these damn cells, man.
Isaac Newton play? Yeah, David Quinones. You know what the first Isaac's first law was? I'll wait for someone to say it in the chat. We got it every day, baby. Alright, guys are taking forever. Isaac's first law was motion. Motion.
Yeah.
That'll be the next play. Isaac Newton.
So yeah, so buy now. So I'm guessing we buy at 10, right? So for the next, so if this one prints and it closes down here, we just buy at 10, right? And just hope for the best, or is that or what do we do? 50 probability. Yeah, we good. We Gucci.
Hey, 50-50 trades. Oh.
No, don't buy now.
There's no strategy, yo.
There is no strategy. Hope for the best. We got motion.
Imagine buying and
Mr.
hoping
Isaac
for the
Newton.
best. Yeah, we do a little trolling, right? If you took sales, man, like, awesome. Awesome. No, I love that. Some traders look for sells, some look for buys, but hey, peace be with you, you know?
May peace be with you and also with you. Yeah, that's awkward. You guys ever have that awkward moment at church and they're like, say hello to your neighbor. And then you turn to one neighbor and he's talking to that guy and then the other guy's just talking to the other guy and you're like, I don't know. It's the barcode strategy. You just start talking to God.
Yo. You remember that, bro? Turn to your neighbor on the left and right and say, peace be with you.
Everyone's talking to the guy on their left. The guy on your left is talking to the guy on his left. The guy on your right is talking to the guy on his right. What? No.
And then they come and collect money. from everyone.
All right, this thing's pulling back pretty nicely here. 15-minute candle did close, so let's see what happens. Yeah, we're gonna wait for 10 a.m. here. Can I play altar when we get off stream? Of course.
Nah.
I shake my own hand. Say peace be with you. Is that an overextended breakout? This one right here. So I was more so going off the 15-minute breakout here. So it wasn't too overextended. If we were just gonna grab the pack and go up and our stops would be sitting there, I would think it was a pretty good deal. But after we started breaking the low a few times, then you know, that's at that point it's best to delete it and wait for the 15 to possibly create a different support level. Because what happened here is if we go up and we come down and create support, now we could potentially take our buys from here with a much tighter stop loss versus, you know, trying to catch it up here. So we'll see.
Yeah, I agree. I think that because remember the last time that we talked about it being overextended is when it literally drove from the bottom of that range and say it would have closed above like 1930.
Yeah, like up here, exactly.
Yeah.
That's where I think.
Yep, I say so too.
Yeah. Yeah, when the candle's more than like 50 plus pips.
Yeah.
Right, like off of one single candle.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly.
Moving back up though.
Hey, this is still logical on the 30, you know.
Yeah.
But the stops are massive.
Yep. Yeah, if the 30 closes above too, we may have a seller play and we can use the stops at 10 a.m.
That'd be lovely.
Yeah, because this is the other candle which we would like to trade, this 945 candle. So we have to sit this one out today to see if this one will be the support. Right? If this one is the support, then I think we're good to continue moving up. Well, a replay. Yeah, it's showing up here. Excuse me. Oh, look at this. Back up we go.
Oh, don't move. Stay there for 11 minutes.
Wait for 11 minutes so we can get in and get our buy position and have a great day and move on with our day and have fun. Very, very fun. Good luck. Who was that?
I don't know.
Someone in the Zoom?
When to trade? We will tell you when to trade. You just hold off. Don't make a move. Don't you move a muscle.
Who was that?
Who in Zoom?
Yo, who is that? Shiro, with the dab.
Dab on him.
I'm seeing I'm seeing the head, shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Yeah, me too. We got the head, shoulders, knees and toes pattern coming up here. And if we just keep an eye out and an elbow out, we will be taking a trade here.
Risky.
What's going on in Zoom? I don't know. Someone keeps on muting.
30 plus 30 plus 30 equals 90 pip barcode. Dude, I think we may have a new strategy here. I think we may have should we only wait for consolidation now? We'll be the only traders that can successfully trade consolidation. All right, that's it, chat.
Honestly, it could work.
We're changing the whole strategy up.
Change it all up. Straight consolidation only.
Zero strategy. We got a Shiro
Right.
strategy. Shiro. We got Shiro strategy.
Cheryl will literally never lose, bro.
It's not zero strategy. It's the Shiro strategy. It's too choppy for good scalpers. Yeah, choppy, choppy. 15 moving down now. Nice. Not the She-Man strategy. Oh man, Nick, it's so good that you're so patient. Yeah, it's good to be patient. It's good to be professional, right? And patient in the market. That way, you're only taking what works best, right? That's how you gain confidence in your trading, in your strategy, in your system. Is just being disciplined, right? Just being patient, not forcing any trade, just cool and calmly waiting for the best setup.
Secret sauce.
Where do I see myself in 5 years in regards to trading? I want to live stream for like 5 years, so I think I'm going to be doing this for a while and just serving my purpose here. And then, when I feel led to move on, then I will continue moving on. But yeah, I'll probably be live streaming for a while and traveling a bit and just bringing I plan on, so Florida's really hot in the summer, so I plan on traveling or vacationing for 2 months out of the year somewhere a little bit more cooler. So I will typically or ideally a lake, somewhere on a lake, but I'm gonna probably bring my setup and stuff with me and just keep streaming. Yeah, just keep trading, keep doing what we do, and increasing capital along the way. Yep, live stream for 5 years and vanish off into the sunset. Yep, and then wake up at 9 or come to the charts around 9 every day and see if there's a move, and if there's no move, then that's it. Shut the chart and keep it moving. Florida's hot all year. Yes, but in the summer it's very hot. Italy, baby. I got friends in Italy. Hey, I got friends all over the place now. I got friends everywhere, man. All over the world these days. New York's getting cold again. Yeah, yikes. I'll be in New York this week, actually.
Yeah, what was it like
Oh,
over there?
It was in the 50s, bro. Like
Yeah,
2 or 3
same.
days ago.
Here, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's getting a little chilly.
It's the first time I felt cold in a minute. I was like, sheesh.
Weather's quaking in New York. Hey,
But,
love
like,
you too,
yesterday
Ghost
was
of Me.
nice.
Shout out to
Nice
Ghost
stuff.
of Me. It's like, it's
Sweet.
getting to be like hot in the day and then cold at night, right?
Literally, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
You have friends in Albania too now. Oh, let's go. I want to go to Albania. 5 minutes for this 1 hour closure. You may have a celery play going on. Mamma mia. I gambled before I had a mentor. Yeah, that sounds about right. I quit my job to chill in the streams. Oh, Belgium. Oh, Legrand, you're in Belgium. Nice, dude. Nice. Yeah, I'm gonna make my way out to you guys. Don't worry. I'll be traveling a bit. Do I believe in manifestation, like regards to imagining? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So every morning I've been going to there's a house that me and my wife are looking at, and every morning over the past week I've been driving to that house, sitting outside, visualizing. Yeah, so crazy, right? I'm bringing my sweater. It's mad brick, bro.
Mad brick.
Oh yeah. You gotta bring that, like, now.
How long does it take you to pass a challenge typically? I've done them in all different time frames, but I would say like a month and a half. Like a month and a half. Maybe 2 months. Get phase 1 and 2 done. It's been a slow September, so we haven't really had many opportunities. I've only taken 3 trades here on this account.
Yeah.
What do I get? Yeah, these are the trades I've taken here. Don't worry about these. These are we were just testing something over the weekend, but yeah, just 3 trades.
Yeah. Yeah, you passing a challenge is all going to depend on how disciplined you can be to the playbook and can you actually take what the market is going to give you, right? Because you could be funded in a week or you could be funded in, like Nick said, a month and a half or 2 months, right? It all depends on how disciplined you are to your playbook, your setups, and can you take what the market is willing to give you.
Mm-hmm. All right, 3 minutes for a candle to close on the 1 hour time frame here. Hey, Thailand, let's go. Thailand welcomes. I like that. All right, so let's see how the 1 hour candle closes here in 2 minutes, and then we'll see if we can break out of this barcode. All right, we need some sort of closure below support, or even below the support, right at 1922. You just call me Habibi. Yeah, when there's good opportunities, we do really well. Like April, May, and June, look how well we did. We had a lot of good opportunities here, so we went on a freaking run. May there was a lot of opportunities. June we had a good amount too. In June we had really good playbook setups, and that's why you see I think we just took 1 loss there. Yeah. So yeah, the summer months tend to slow up a little bit on price action, but you'll start to see things heat up now, right after the Fed comes in this week, and you know the rest of the year should look pretty clean. Have you ever been to the country called... No, I have not. Oh, know that I got a brother there? Oh, let's see. Let's go. I got brothers in countries I don't even know about. Never even heard of. I dig it. Okay, candle's about to close. 33 seconds. Bunch of chop, eh? Bunch of chop. Oh, John, what happened, buddy? You muted?
My fault.
Yeah, nasty close, man. Nothing.
Literally nothing.
Excuse me.
Yeah, 1922 gonna be the cleanest.
Can you actually pass prop firms, make payouts from your trades? Oh, of course. We've had plenty of people make thousands and thousands of dollars. Some of y'all made more than me.
That's so true.
Gold whack. Yeah, the gold is whack attack here right now. So not much, right? Printed another barcode candle here. Let's see what the 4 hour. 4 hour is still looking good though. You know, if you break those lows, you should see a drive down. But I think at this point, below 1922 is going to be our safest and most optimal position here. Barcode works, or gang, we could take a buy here. We take a buy and we just travel back up to 1927. I mean, it should be that easy, right? Should we do it? So anyone who took sells here, can you just take buys now too? Because it's the same setup, or no? Sample size it.
Bad answer.
Sample size it. Yeah, let me find
Yeah,
out.
Chad, we good for buys?
Can you please explain why you're saying gold is not overextended? I don't think I said that yet. Because a single bullish candle breakout is almost 33 pips. Are you talking about this one? Yeah, this one we're gonna go based off the 15-minute breakout. But yeah, I do believe, you know, at this point we're no place to take a position, right?
YOLO it, bye. You only live once.
Another day staring at the doorknob, starting to see some weird things. I was gonna take a picture for you guys. I was staring at the doorknob earlier. Sell limit activated, nice. Yeah, I think this was a, what, 10 or 15 pip range here? Yeah, 11 pip range. Not worth it, right? When there's a support here, but once you move below here, clean traffic. Clean range. I think we need to call it a day. All right. Do we buy? Do we buy? Should we take a buy? Yeah, we need the Fed to start speaking on Mondays. That's what we need.
Here, I'll call JP.
That made a call.
I think we need to call it a day. All right, man. All right. All right, bro. Call it
Yeah,
a day.
chill.
I think you need to call it a day with these comments here, pal. What are you doing, man? What are you doing?
Hey, we all have the freedom to call it a day whenever we want.
My guy said, think we need to call it a day because it will range further. Think we need to call it a day because it'll range further. Think we need to call it a day because it'll range further. Think we need to call it a day because it'll range further. Think we need to call it a day. All right, man. All righty. I got the point.
Maybe
I'm
put you
waiting
in
on this
timeout.
barcode strategy, bro. Chill.
Yeah. Yeah, we're waiting for the signal to go back up.
Just chill, man. This barcode strategy is about to play out right now. You sound like those TikTokers. What TikTok? What TikTokers?
Oh, the NPCs, bro.
The
I've seen those.
Oh,
Those
I
are
don't-
so
I don't have
goofy,
TikTok.
bro. I see him everywhere, bro. Everywhere. I like the guy who sits there and he's like, I need more bullets. I need more bullets.
Yeah, I don't know what that is.
Dude, I don't go on TikTok. I have one, but I don't ever go on it. I see him on Instagram all the time, bro.
Oh man, too funny.
Look at them in the chat. I need more bullets. You guys are something else.
All right, see you tomorrow, Dragon Host. W for Dragon Host.
W Dragon Host. He's calling it a day.
He's calling it.
Bro.
Enjoy it, brother. Enjoy it. Which prop firm are you using now? I am using a funded company called The Funded Trader. Yeah, what's up with all these funding companies? They're like the funded this, the funded that, the funded, like, y'all can't pick a better name?
Right.
These discounts are starting to scare me, boys. 40% now. Come on now, huh? 40%.
40% off.
Your slim funds just doesn't sound the same. What's the least amount of trades you've had in a single month? Oh, that's a good question. Let's go take a look. Let's count them up. 1, 2. Well, we know this one's not it. We know this one's not it. June was, I think it was maybe February. Either February or June. Yeah, definitely February. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 trades in February, but we also did start February, like, I think it was like the 6th, right, of February? Yeah. So we may have taken some trades before that, but yeah. TFT's the best prop firm? Nice, yeah, I'm working with them now, so we'll see. 40% off is scary. The withdrawals are good. I mean, as I used to have a live account with my Forex funds, and the withdrawals were super quick. Yeah, they happen in like a day, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see about the funded trader here. But yeah, I think February was our least amount. What's April? Yeah, April, June. Yeah. Yeah, February. February.
What was it, 11?
Yeah, 11 in February. Yeah. Oh, this 1 hour wasn't too bad here on Pound Yen. It was aight. Now September could be.
Special.
Oh, you never know. We might heat up here. Yeah, we might start to heat up. That's how it was for 1 or 2 other months. It was super slow halfway through, and then boom, we just picked it up. TFT payout 48 hours. Yeah, that was about the same thing with my Forex funds. I'm married with a funded wife. My funded wife. Yeah, Fed on Monday. What's up? Can we get them to run this on Monday? Are you streaming till 2 on Wednesday? No, we're not going to stream until 2, but we will start to we'll do the New York stream, and then we'll come back for a second stream around 1:30. Yeah, they really do, Forex Frank. That makes a lot of sense now, right? They need that revenue coming in so they could pay out their profitable traders, right? Because what happened with MFF scared everyone. So everyone kind of ran, I'm sure, to open up, personal accounts. So they really need to draw some sales in, right? So that they can pay out, traders. So I think that's what's going on too. Yep. Gotta scrap that up quick. 2 streams in one day? Yeah. Hey, maybe we'll do an Asian stream that night too.
Let's do it.
Yeah, because Asian should be ripping that night after the Fed.
Well, yeah. It almost always
Asian's
makes a
been it.
decent move.
Yeah,
for
let's
gold
do
at
that.
least.
Yeah, Wednesday we're gonna
yeah.
have 3 streams.
Yeah, I'm down. I'm game.
Same.
Yeah, good thinking. I didn't even think about that.
Yeah, let's do it. This month you have 2 wins, 1 loss. That's that 1 win in 18 days. How do you guys make money? Well, we made money, you're just talking about this month, right?
Months.
Remember, we've been trading for 4 years. So we've got a little stacked up. You don't worry about it. We'll be all right.
You're a beginner trader, that's time to stack up when you get payouts.
See, trading,
beginner.
I think some of you guys think you're going to be, like you're just going to make money all the time, right? And that's not how it goes, right? If you have a good strategy, you will make money most months, right? Probably, the majority of the months, which is what we do. But sometimes you'll have a break-even month, right? It's not like your job, right? You're not just going to get paid to show up. But from all the profit and all the, savings over the last 2 years, I mean, it's okay, right? To not make money in a month or something like that. We got a little something in the bank, a little something.
You
got a
gotta be
little
smart with your
something.
money, You gotta understand there could be slow months, right? So, gotta stack it up.
They also don't make 300 a trade. Yeah, you got to remember, we've been making about $2,000 a trade, for the last 2 years. So, and now that 2K is going to be more like 8K once I get this account funded. So I look forward to it. Quadrupling the income here.
Yes, sir. Levels.
But
Yeah, exactly, Legrand. Yup. Yeah, you'll notice that. You guys will have really, really good, solid, profitable months. And you stack a few of those up, trust me, you won't feel any need to rush trades and jump on things that don't line up with your plan, right? You have, if 2 trades can pay your monthly expenses, then you're very picky with what trades you take. Because remember, I'm not doing this to trade. I'm doing this to have long-term success, right? And to provide for my family. I'm not just jumping on the charts to take trades. I'm here to make money, right? So you got to wait for your right opportunities to make that money. Just because you take X amount of trades doesn't necessarily mean that you'll be profitable, right? You want to take the best trades you could find and make money. Not be, oh, look, I took this and I took that and I did this and I did that. That's all cool, but are you profitable, right? Are you providing for your family? Are you really getting to where you want to be, right? That's the main thing. I have exactly 1 cent in my bank account. Do you keep track of signal trades? Yes. Yeah, just like the other one? Yeah, we do. Any advice to a newbie? Yeah, just kind of like what I just said. don't come in here trying to, you get the label or the title a trader, but a lot of people think that means I have to come in here and trade every day, right? And I'm telling you, that's not the case. That's a false, that's not real, right? It's not real. So 1 or 2 trades a day, I would recommend sticking to a playbook and just working off that, right? 1 to 2 trades a day, stick to your playbook, and you will be doing really well, and you'll save yourself a lot of time. Right? Someone I talked to, they started as a new trader a couple months ago with a 3K account, and that 3K account, when I spoke to him, was 3 months of trading was at $2,700. I know I couldn't have done that as a new trader, right? That whole 3K would have been gone. But what is he doing? He's doing what I just said. 1 to 2 trades a day, and only taking high quality trades, and not worrying about a no trade day, right? Not worrying about that, because he's productive in his life, right? And he's not just counting on this like some of you guys are looking to get rich quick. That's not what he's looking to do, right? He's got a long-term perspective, and that's why he's trading really well from the jump, because he's taking the mentorship. He's not just jumping at volume and taking trades and, doing all this crazy stuff.
Sure. Yeah, if you're a newbie, man, don't come to trading looking to make money the next day. Like, come to trading ready to learn, right? Hopefully, like, if you're a newbie and you're coming to trading, like, hopefully you're in this for the long term, right? Meaning you're here ready to learn. You're willing to give up 6 months to a year to not make any money and just learn.
Yeah.
Right.
Yep. Look it, man. We might be on to something with this barcode strategy here. I'm telling you. How many of y'all took sells? I know you guys did. I know it. Right? Took sells. Stops are sitting above here, and you're wiped out now, right? I know it because I was doing that too.
Sell them. And look, where would we reject? The support.
Yep.
Right to the left.
Right here.
Yep.
Barcode's moving upward. Barcode strategy. Yo, we're sample sizing this. We can only do it after 1, 2, 3 barcodes. And then after the third one, we wait for that liquidity grab to stop out all the sellers that we just talked about, and then we move up. What do you say?
Hey, say it's game on.
How do you develop your own playbook if you're starting off? If you're starting off, you have no business really creating your own playbook, right? So you want to go find a good playbook that's already working and start to get a grip on that, because you can't really start your own playbook if you don't know what you're doing, right? So you want to build a firm education foundation, right? And then you can start to tweak things and play around with things. But at the end of the day, you're going to recognize patterns in the market, and they're going to make sense to you, and you just watch them over and over and over for a few months without really going heavy on those positions, and then you may be onto something, right? Track the data, and if you have something that works, then now you have the beginning of your playbook. Yeah, that's true. Waza B. How do you handle a losing trade? Always makes me want to quit. See, man, that's what I mean, right? Losing a trade should never make you want to quit, right? And if it does, to be honest, it's harsh, but it's keeping it real and keeping it 100. Just quit, right? Just quit and just figure out something else to do, right? Unless you can shift that perspective and understand that losing is a part of trading. You're never going to lose every game, right? Or you're never going to win every single trade.
Win every trade.
There's going to be probabilities here, right? And throughout your career, you're going to take hundreds of losses, right? But we need to focus and narrow them down to, is it a bad loss or is it a good loss? And if you can take good, healthy losses throughout your trading, you shouldn't let that bother you, right? Because you're going to have a playbook, right? Our playbook has about an 80 to 85% win rate. So we know if we take 100 trades, we're going to lose probably 20 trades out of that, right? So we're going to win 80, right? But we're going to lose about 20. Now, we can't get upset about those losses because we know that they're coming. We know that they're a part of the probability. And you just have to shift that perspective and understand losses will come, right? Losses are going to come. They're a part of the game. So if you can't handle them, then you don't want to be a part of the game, right? But if you could switch that perspective and redefine what losing means to you in the market, then I think you can work from that, right? You can work from that, but understand that you are not a loser if you take a loss. You really just don't have a concrete plan and strategy yet. And once you find that, you'll start to work in probabilities, right? So you'll still take losses, but now you'll understand that they're a part of the probability of your trading strategy. So barcode is really it. Barcode is it. Sheesh. Have you ever thought about showing the past signal? Yeah, I don't have it. That's the thing. I don't have the past signal history because I deleted everything on the journal to add the new stuff. So that's the only thing. I just don't. Yeah, that's right, TK. W on the barcode, bro. Yeah. Every day is not a trading day, right? Yeah, I seen this one quote by this multi-gazillionaire trader. He said, day trading is not everyday trading. And then he went off to repeat it. Day trading is not everyday trading. Day trading is not everyday trading. Day trading is not everyday trading. All right, you guys got to understand that too. That you can't force something out of the market here. All right, you just got to wait patiently. If your setup comes that day, it comes. If it doesn't, it doesn't. And you just move on to the next day. Will you do Asian session live today? No, we'll do it on Wednesday though. Got y'all. Takeaway, just quit. Yeah, if you can't handle the heat, just quit now. Just quit. And that should motivate you. Right? When I would hear guys say that, I'd be like, screw this guy. I'm not going to quit. I'm going to show him. He's talking to the other guys out here, not me. I ain't a quitter. Is it a no trade date? Possibly. I mean, look at this.
Yeah.
Just look at it. That's what we've been here for.
Okay. Later.
Right? That's what we've sat through here today.
You look at this.
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more blemishes on the car.
Oh my gosh, just look at
The
it.
car is not perfect.
Just look at it. Just look at it.
Yeah, well.
What the heck is that? Oh, look at this. You got me running all around the car.
Yeah, nothing. Nothing. Just look at it.
Was that sound on while I was talking?
Yeah, were you saying something?
Yeah.
What were you saying, bro?
What did I say? Oh, I love no trade days because it shows me that I was disciplined and patient to the playbook.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. No playbook position here. I mean, there may be some other stuff, you know, like whatever you guys are trading, the applesauce play or the, you know, whatever it is that you guys got going on, but no playbook here. No playbook position. You got the chicken nugget move.
One set burger move.
Wet slapback camel move.
The barcode play.
Bro.
Sell now. Yeah, setup did happen in London, I believe, right? I don't know. Did it? Getting the barcode tattooed. Yeah, we're gonna wait and I'll see what happens in 4 minutes. Oh yeah, you gotta go.
Ain't nothing in London.
You gotta for those that are asking the question about after you paid for the funded trader, you gotta go back on the website and click the trade hub, and then once you go to the trade hub, that's when you'll have your login and stuff.
Hey, anyone catch them Asian buys last night?
Yeah,
One that was
Asian.
chopped.
I was looking
So is
at
that-
Asian,
so is
but
Omar.
yeah. Choppy. Oh, nice. Yeah, you guys caught that last night? Yeah, that was nice. That was where was that?
I was at the end of the session at like 10 p.m. Eastern. Let's see.
I forget where that was.
All in the 1 hour. Or it was right. You go on the 1 hour maybe.
I'm on the 1 hour.
Oh, shit.
Let me see here. It was a 1 hour pack run, right?
It was a 1 hour breakout.
Oh, I
Right
see,
here.
I see. The 21.
This was it. 21. Yep. 21.30.
Yeah, I like it. It
Yeah.
looks good, like on.
Yeah, it looked clean on the
15,
30.
Right at 21.
Yeah, closed right above.
35.
Perfect celery play right there. That's your ideal celery play. Right here. Right here.
Close above that. Stuff to the left.
Yup. Stops are kept below the low here too. Right? Entries at the break of the high. Target up here. Yep, back in the choppy zone here.
Chopped.
Not looking the hottest here on Goldie. GJ still struggling to get below 182, 780 here. All right, laddie. Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you again for a good day. Hey, thanks for coming by. Hey, who hasn't liked the stream? Can we get to 1,000 likes here? If you guys haven't liked the stream, where are we at? 869. Yeah, if you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here.
Yeah, boys, I'm about to call it a day. I gotta
Sweet.
head over to the dentist.
Do it, bro.
So,
Oh,
yep.
them teeth
Nick and
shined
Sam, I
up.
hope you boys
have fun with
have
that.
a great day.
You
Yep,
too,
thank
bro.
you. Appreciate it.
Enjoy
Chat,
it.
I hope you guys have a great Monday. See you guys tomorrow. And
Yes, sir.
Nick and Sam, have a good day, boys.
All right,
Take it
brother.
easy, Joe.
Love you, buddy.
All right, peace.
See you later.
Love you, bro. Love you, peace.
Peace.
Yeah. That'll probably
Yeah,
be it for
that
me
should
too
be
here
it. Yeah, that'll probably do it. 45 seconds. Probably going to close back in this consolidation. So nothing here for us today, right? An opportunity to be disciplined. And that's what we did, right? Discipline kept us safe today. It kept us out of losing trades today and unnecessary losses, right? So I think that'll do it here today. There's not going to be a war room tonight because I'm going to be running super behind. So I will keep the war room posted, but I have to do something and I may not be back in time today. So I'll keep you guys posted. I'll let you guys give you an update like 2 hours prior. And then we'll go from there. But everyone else, Sam, thanks for coming on here today, my man. Look
Sir,
forward to
thanks
seeing
for having
what
me, Nick.
the rest of the week brings us.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Yeah. And
As
chat,
always.
hope you guys have a good day. And I think we're gone, right?
Yes, sir. I think we're good.
All right. Love
Hey,
you
chat,
guys.
You guys have a wonderful, beautiful day. I'm gone. Love you guys as well. Nick, love you. I'm
All
gone.
right, brother. Peace, peace. All right, chat. Love you guys, man. I hope you guys do have a wonderful day. I wouldn't touch anything here moving forward today. So unless you get a clean breakout somewhere, which I really don't see anything as of right now happening at all. So I would just get off the charts here today. Enjoy the day, and let's come back tomorrow. Again, we have the Fed speaking on Wednesday, so let's see if we can pull something tomorrow and come back with a fresh mindset. Yeah, we'll keep an eye on that barcode strategy too. All right, love you guys. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Peace.